A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to The Boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and I could get straight into this. Alright guys, here we go on. So many things that happen on the media. We don't know which one of them we start off with tonight, but today is Saturday. So tell you what I'm gonna do. I could have covered the story where the doctor lady stole 600 million, that are one. Jamaica have water crisis, that are two. Them a take back visa, that are three. What else? Usain Bolt proposed to his long-time girlfriend / baby mother. We give him in kids. Well, nothing wrong with that. She deserve it. And I like some woman who seen within wealth and I come take it. Well deserved. Big him up on that. You understand? But separately apart from that, I go now on full 2-hour show what I do last night with the crew. It get very tense, but it varies a lot of key points. And I love how the people reach out to me, so they might enjoy the discussion and they want to join it. If you don't want to join it, guys, join me 9 o'clock on TikTok, join me 7 o'clock on YouTube, and we can work out something. May I talk too much? Give me 1,000 likes. I can listen this discussion.
Can your partner tell you where and when to go out? And would you listen to me? Of course.
Yeah, I agree.
Alright, so the problem was saying now, like, you live with a man, or you can be like, you don't live together, and you say, you know, say, I go one party later, my friend them, and him say, yo, I don't want you go on a party, you know, I want you stay in, and I don't want you to go out. How would you feel? And your besties them there, Ali and Sassy. So I'm going to get more detail in the problem.
They will live together. My best friend.
Alright, so we're gonna live together. It mean like him live east, you live west. But you know I date. You know I do everything. I know
So in a relationship.
Yeah, right.
And he's not comfortable with me going.
You know, me I go to the club, me and my girls them. You know, you go out, you go out Saturday, Sunday, say I go out, and them I say, babes, I know you go there and I like you go out in thing. Why if you just stay in and go on, you know? We can unwind or we can talk or we can this, but me not feel good knowing that I'm in my bed and you're out there partying. Anything can happen.
Me listen to my man and still.
Yeah, listen to you and your besties them and them are plan for you.
We can go the next time. Alright, you see, if it's a case where every time you go somewhere with my friend them, I want to go, then that's a problem. But if it's a one-off situation and him say,
what if that person who give you those instructions, I'm answer the youth and tell him say, so come.
I'll work on
I'm
them.
not done, but Akeem, Rosalie as well.
Dear.
Akeem.
Father, go on.
Me there, me not ready for you yet, the jokes, come on.
Alright, then, what is in the ear, you know?
Yeah, man, maybe about 10 o'clock. I don't know if you go there and say it.
At them time, I have plan to come off. But if me there, I'm there.
Yeah, if you're there, I search for you and send somebody come call, yeah?
Alright, big bro, no problem.
Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, ladies, back to the reason where we're just, you know,
I wonder where you could use between my tie.
Huh?
I wonder so where you spending skin and could I use between my tie.
Oh, you could have asked him, man.
My man are white. But anyways, back to the reasoning now. Alright, as I say, if every time I want to go out with my friends and have an issue with it, then that's going to pose a problem. Because I like to know what is the reason as to why you don't want me to go out with my friends. But if it's a one-off situation, I'm going to feel comfortable being at home and you're out there this hours a night. You understand? Just stay up tonight.
What the reason why I ask this question? What if your name involved, but you are pay your bills and everything, and him show no responsibilities in your life like him sure say.
So, what happen in my life I do? Does that come talk? Why you hold on your head? First of all, if when me hungry, me can pick up my phone and call you and tell you, say, oh, help me buy some groceries or help me do something. Who are you to dictate to me where to go and where not to go exactly? Blessed and laugh. No, first of all, it's not even like a reach the relationship. So let's just take the relationship out of it, kind of reach so far. You mean to tell me, say, if me but my two, I cannot call you? Then who are you to tell me where to and where not to go, sir? No, my love, but if I'm not in a relationship with that other person, you're crazy. Mr. Blessed seed coming in and watch blessing. Demon always a set me up, you know. Him always a set me up. I swear. No, you tell me. All right, first of all, I don't want nobody to mind me. I'm an adult, right? So I take care of my own responsibility. But if me but my two and I cannot pick up my phone and call a person and say, hey, can you help me with this specific thing this month? And you got to tell me say you not have it too, then we're two broke people are doing a relationship, sir. Two broke people.
Come on. What if a person have car payment, mortgage, plus my pay student loan and all of that, and in budget?
When your priority should be to clear your expense and leave relationship alone. Hello? Leave relationship alone. It is not for you. Remember, no, and every month I gotta talk up my phone and say, hey, help me with this, help me with that. Probably once in a blue moon, probably 5 shots, and I can't call you. And I cannot call you. Damien, stop hold your head, become a sure say. If you have a I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Pardon my French. Anyways, as I was saying, Damien, if you should have a daughter, right? And your daughter bring a man.
Yeah, all right, yeah, chip out. Yeah, all right, yeah, chip out.
Because somebody has called me. Me, I block the person. I'm like, people bother me, no. Anyways,
Yeah,
as
go
I
on.
was no, man, up. I'm not gonna block the person.
Miss Block.
Me not block the person, man. But it's like 18 people, and especially video call. Who does a video call me at 9:30? No, that's the thing. Anyways, as I was saying, right? If you can only afford to take care of your responsibilities every month, and you cannot find any extra to put in for the person that you're dating, it just focus on yourself, Bridget. Focus on yourself. Leave relationship alone because it don't make no sense. Make about my tour, I can't call you. It's a relationship. It's a lot of responsibility. You're not a person out there who know the intimate things. Anything can happen. So you have to be in a position where if anything should happen, you're financially capable of handling it.
Let me ask you something. All right. So when you say bucket tour, after on the dogo or before?
They mean, I can't predict when I go book my tour. Some things in life are just unpredictable. That's why I'm say if I should fall short, my must can call you and say, hey, I'm a fall short on this month. Can you assist? I remember the keyword assist.
And if the guy say no, that's it for you and him. Basically, that's what you say.
Him can't tell me no.
No, Mr. if he say no, he not have it. That's it. You're not ready for the
He
relationship.
cannot say no. He must give me a reason as to why he's not able to assist me. Man, I'm gonna just accept the dry no.
Tell us, in budget out, and him have disabilities and disabilities, so he can't do that. It feel. For the first time, I actually asked him for assistance and him said no, then we say, you know what? Let me wait and see. I'm not judge him. Because some people them live strict, me live on a budget. Some people them live on a strict budget, right? So I can wait until the one next time, man. One next month, I gonna ask them again if I see him things instant black. Instant black. There's a difference when you can do something and don't want to do it and you can't do it. There's a major difference. When you can do something and choose not to do it, Did
then
you know
you
that?
can't do
All
it.
right, for me and for some men, you know that when a woman tend to ask for favors,
Don't ask me a question, Flame. My camera don't own it tonight. Continue, Darian.
yeah, for
What
us,
if he fall short? I mean, if he's always there for me and him fall short and I can assist, I would assist.
yeah, the key word you say right, that's if he's always there for you.
Then him have to left me first. Hello? You have to be there for me first. I'm not gonna know if you have my back if me fat shot if you're not there for me. Australian. Oh my days.
Tasik, I'm sorry, you never had on the line last night.
Mr. I never send call me no. But over here I watch Awesome Dragon.
You'll learn a valid lesson.
Lord God,
Wait, what's her name? Tori. Yeah, me that listen to it today. She said she speak a lot of gems. I like her so much. You should come back.
Yeah, I did the truth.
Send PR, send
Well,
Lord Jesus, I didn't done me now.
yeah,
Yeah, you're calling me,
Lord.
Lord.
Speaker. Jesus, me a deaf. Turn it on, look at my boss.
Awesome Dragon, yeah, I've been watching that last night. No should have called me.
that's better.
Yeah, that's better. Whoa. Take it away, bro.
I done me here, please.
Are they gone again?
That's a good sign. Can I come like I did comfortable me now. Good night, Nasty.
Good night, Nursey.
Night. Adi.
You are going.
Yeah.
First and foremost, with Mr. Some earlier with your channel on YouTube. So I was listening to it, but I wasn't able to like call in. I didn't see a link on the YouTube channel. So it says premiere, but it was like an actual show or whatever. So I wanted to comment there, but you know, I couldn't get in. But right here, you see you me in a great mood.
Large.
That's a code here. So I'm gonna just keep it 100. Right now what? Mid-30, I push towards 40 at 36, you know, next 4 years of 40. It's like everybody have to just come equipped a year. You understand? Woman not upon the building a man, and man should not pick it up on himself to build a woman when it reach to everybody at a certain age at this point.
I agree. Right.
So, Tasik, oh, you agree and you talk about buck too and them something like that.
So then all with a human being,
You never
all
buck
with
me
a
toe yet.
camper shot.
Me never buck me toe yet.
Okay, good for you. Good
Me
for you.
always have on shoes. Me never wear slippers every day.
Whatever they mean. If you can afford to take care of your monthly expenses, then leave relationship alone. As I said, relationship come with a lot of responsibility. What if you guys are having unprotected S, right? And something go happen no. Belly a come and stinking. Come on, yeah, leave relationship alone if you're not financially stable, yeah. Leave relationship alone.
That's a code. I mean, you have a great point. Like, if food can't have, food have it on one hand can't clap, and it takes two to tango, right?
Two broke people.
yeah.
12 years I've been hungry. So why? Why that make pain?
Them days the past and gone already, not now. Now we're going forward. And that's all me have to say here. That's a code.
Okay.
If you don't wanna date the broke person, who's gonna date them?
Date them each other, my love.
See what I mean? Yeah, but broke person can't date broke person.
My dear.
It's gonna be a completely broken situation.
Try tell them that. Try tell them because them full of audacity, you see? Nobody full of audacity like you broke people,
I agree with your sauce. Like, yeah, if you're in a relationship, your partner can actually say what they're not comfortable with. I think relationships are about compromise, right? So if your partner can say to you, say, when you're not really asking permission, but you do things out of respect, right? And if a person said to you, say, I don't feel comfortable with y'all just going to the club so late, or y'all staying at a hotel in one room, 6 or whatever it is, then he must be able to justify why. And then you can understand and say, okay, understand, I'll pass this time or whatever. Or better yet, like if it's a situation where it's just he met you and you used to have like a ladies' night or you hang out with your girls, then him not supposed to try to change that because so he meet her, right? And that's a problem usually come in. They meet with one way and then all of a sudden
Then Ali, this is where I disagree with them. I notice me make a talk. You hear the speech where you say, if you and your girls them normally hang out and in come meet you like that, and I just say argument start. Do you think that when you have a serious relationship and you have a man I do everything for you and you and him I go places, you don't think say you can you mostly concentrate on your relationship and you maybe just you pick me or whatever than focusing mostly on entertainment with friends and him something.
So your priorities will shift.
When you're single and you can do a lot of stuff, you know. When you're in a relationship, a committed relationship, things change.
No, I'm not going to agree with you guys on that. No, I'm not going to agree when no want me agree. So no, Nursty, that's not going to stop, and that's where the problem come in. Why when the man gone, you don't have no friend. The thing is, your priorities will shift. Hold on a day, man. Let me just state my point. Your priorities will shift because you're going into a relationship. So most of the time should be spent with that party now. Now you have to spend more time with your spouse, you're getting to know them, you have build a relationship or whatever. You're spending less time with your friends at this point. That does not say you're going to give up your friends totally. You should still be able to balance or manage your friendships outside of your spouse, right? You cannot just neglect your friends because you now have a man or a woman. That is going to be a problem for you.
Neglected is a total different word. I'm saying if you used to spend every month, you know, say every Friday, you hang out. That's a phone chill time. You have a man in your life now that's supposed to cut down fever one time a month. Do you agree?
Yeah, you're gonna spend more time with a partner and less time with the friends, but you shouldn't neglect them completely. So let's say, for example,
completely. That's why I give you that scenario, Ali.
Let's say, for example, then every year each of you used to get up for each other's birthday, the friend group. So when my birthday, me and my friend group used to hang out for a birthday, right? This is one tradition where we do for a few years because we were all single. This will change as we get into relationships, which is fine. What should then happen is, because you don't want to neglect your friends for your relationship, right? What should then happen is, because this occasion is important, maybe your spouse, your new spouse or whatever, maybe them not very new, value birthdays as well, and he wants to spend the birthdays with you instead of you spending it with your friend. So you break the tradition, you know, which is fine. So yes, you can spend the birthday with your spouse on the birthday, and then you can possibly spend some time with your girlfriends afterward to have a little dinner or celebrate as you guys would. Maybe you go dinner, maybe you have like a games night or whatever, but you still ensure that your spouse comes first and you prioritize them in the situation. So you don't drop your friends completely and change your entire life because you get in a relationship. You modify certain things to ensure that your spouse is included in your life and you're balancing your relationship equally with your friendships. You can't just totally get rid of your friends because you have a man.
Nobody did say totally still, but maybe I talk for somebody else to say in a comment.
But yeah. Balance is important, and yes, your relationships should take precedence once you're in one. So yeah. And if your guy wants to tell you, say at some point in time, your friends then probably come up with maybe one of them break up and they want to have a celebration party, and your partner say, boy, I'm gonna feel so good with that, you know, or whatever. I'm gonna feel so good about that, or why you have to go to the party then? Whatever the justification is for the spouse. Once they are able to articulate that to you in a way that shows you where they're coming from and you can agree with their points, you should be able to consider what they're saying and say, okay, I understand how you feel, I'll pass. You tell the girls you'll pass and you send them the gift, what you do buy for them anyway or whatever. So there should be consideration in a relationship, because that should be now one of the most important persons to you. So you should really be considering their feelings, and when them say stuff to you, yes, if you take in a consideration, and you have to make sure say you put them feelings at the forefront and not just do things like a single same way. So
if you get a man and if you're married and have your husband, and he say the girls' night, hang out thing and all of them, something that have to stop now, you would have a problem with that. You'd have warrant for that.
You see, you dear man, you choose a choice of words, you know.
No,
You see,
answer a question. It's a
you're very
straightforward
purpose.
question.
Those
No,
type
no, it's
of
not your
people.
purpose.
No,
You have to
answer the
war the man.
question. Answer the
No, I'm
question.
not warring him for that. I'm not warring him for that. But if him said to me, say, if he says to me that, most of your friends are single, you're married, what you going to do with the whole hanging out? Then that's a discussion for me and my partner. Yes, hot and sexy. You discuss it, right, with your spouse, because that's the respectful way to go. But me can't just neglect the man's feelings and say, look how long me have my friend them. And now you come and you change my life. No. I marry the man, me and the man are gonna spend life together. So I have to learn at that time for see his point of view, understand where he's coming from, and see how best I can respect his feelings, consider him, but still allow my friends to feel appreciated and valued in my life and not neglect them completely. Alright? So that's my take.
That sound a bit fair. I love how you put it in context. Say, yeah, and him a go all a reason, and you go mostly listen to what him say, because you're a married woman now. And
Yeah,
this
your
is it, you
husband
know.
lead, your husband at the head.
Yeah, some people don't know to separate the two. Some people still want to be a wife and still want to hang
Single.
out with
Right.
friends, with especially single friends and all of them something there. Marriage is a
Right.
responsibility and it's a commitment where you make with your partner, where it one is supposed to see each other every night, every day, unless in their foreigner, etc. that different. But you know, in our presence, the man want to come home and he knows so he never
Why?
going or that man would have feel him in bed and you got out there with friends in a them type of time, yeah.
Yeah.
That's some my time a man I talk to a woman and some woman I look on it. Oh, you're gonna stop all of this. Oh, why should I? Oh, wait. I used to doing this. You know what I mean? Ladies, do you agree?
Yeah. Blessed
I
so why
agree.
You're alright. You're alright with
I
that?
agree. I agree.
blessed so why does it have to stop? But you know what can happen to what I
Well,
like?
I'm blessed. Come up. Like how she said that.
blessed,
Come up,
blessed,
blessed.
come up, come take fighting, you know.
No, she said. What she said? Why do we have to start?
Yeah, why does it have to
Yeah,
stop?
let me hear your opinion. Send me a link. Your page private, darling. Send me the request. Put her up.
But Damien, do you while Blessed is coming up, do you have a problem with like me saying to him, alright, you want to drop me at the occasion and you just go and hang in your car till
Hang in your
bed?
car. I'm a work hard for morning and something like that, but hang in a car. Voilà, blessed. What you did say now? Voilà, me blessed say.
No,
You say
I
blessed.
was
Why top is stop? Yeah, go on.
yeah, because you said that he's gonna say you can't hang out with them, period. Like you don't have to hang out with them. Let's say y'all had girls' night every week or 2 times for the month. You don't do that anymore. Like you would tell them, like, listen, I'm in a committed relationship or a marriage or whatever it is. You know, I'm gonna respect my spouse, but that still doesn't mean you give up your individualism, because then it's just like you're taking, like, then it's just like everything is centered around the
Yeah,
man.
like I said, look on it
Yes,
this way.
yes.
If 4 Fridays in our month and every Friday and your girl is hang out. Now you're married and have your husband. How much Fridays you that start? Oh, you that narrow it down.
One Friday for my friends, and they have to respect that and understand that.
I
We're
suppose
not
your
gonna
husband
be
say him
out
not like you hang out with your friends them. He want you cut that off. He
all
want you spend time
together.
with him. Yeah, what you that do?
That's a problem. Because why do you want me
What
to
do you mean?
cut
What
off
kind of
my
problem?
friends?
What do you mean problem? What kind of
Why
problem?
do you want me to cut off my friends?
He say no want you out there on the street with just your friends. Kind of like your friend them and you just see them as bad
But
influence. He
why
might have
would
a reason.
but he has
What-
to have a reason to not like
Yeah,
my
but that's
friends.
his reason. What would you do? Because you say it's going to be a problem. What kind of problem?
It's gonna be a problem because I'm going to be like, why do I need to stop being friends
Yeah,
with my
but he might lead and your husband and he might tell you saying
Yeah,
don't
I
like that. So
understand
stop.
that, but still,
But
you're
what?
not gonna control me. That's controlling.
That's see, there you go. See it?
Because why are you
The
telling
man
me
a do,
to cut off my
the man
friends?
a do everything and you ask your nice husband God send you come and the man just say, yo, cut off the little thing there now. You're married. You don't need that again. You need me and our family. That's it. You don't need that again. Make your
So I
friends.
shouldn't
No,
have no
son, but
friends.
Damien,
No, hold
Here,
on. I'm blessed
Damien.
me
but
I talk to. Hold on. No. I'm blessed me I
So
talk to.
I shouldn't have no
You
friends.
can't have your friends talk on the phone. You might go out and have a little brunch, but like if you hang out Friday night Like you know that go club and left at 10 o'clock and I come in at 2, 3 o'clock. No, that done with.
Well, I don't do that regularly, so
No, I'm
that wouldn't
just
be an
using that for
issue.
your example.
But okay, so like Ali said, what if it's my friend's birthday and that's how she wants to celebrate? So I can't celebrate my friend's birthday once.
No, a birthday is a one time for the year. You
Yeah.
can make a little pass with that, but me I say this every month, every Friday evening and all of them stuff there.
No, but I
It's
wouldn't do
done.
that anyways. It's just a simple fact, like if I said we hang out
But,
once a
but
month, it wouldn't be nothing where I'm going out, leaving the house at 12 a.m. and
all right.
straight
The
back
reason why
in
we
at
say that you have some man
home.
that really want them woman go out unless them are there in them presence. For some reason.
Then that
Some
man
man is
is
like that.
probably insecure.
It's not a matter of insecure. Sometimes I just you know want him woman out there. Him just want him and if she go out, just the two of them or the family. If your
So
girlfriend birthday
basically,
night, you can get a one-off thing.
basically, she can't have a life outside of him.
Huh?
She can't have a life outside of him. So everything has to be centered
No, when
around
you're
him.
married, the man become your life and your family, your kids. Difference.
No,
So
they
that
do not.
means, so
Sorry.
that means
I know
he
it's
can't go nowhere
but
either,
no.
right? He's not hanging out with his friends either,
No,
right?
then if you got hang out with him friend, the man out spending time with you. Or if you hang out in cut off all of that, kind of married man now, you know, the time for the boys link up and no. Something.
That's a problem.
So him want just get one just graduate from their lifestyle and just focus on it one. I want to have going on. Something wrong with that? Because you say it be a problem. I don't know.
Yes.
Yes, it's a problem.
Yeah, so it go cause an argument then, basically, in the marriage.
But that's the thing. Like, I'm not going out at night. Okay, like you said, we could do brunch. If it's not wrong, if he's okay with brunch. Matter of fact, I have friends, but my best friends are my cousins. So me and my cousins, we literally do everything. So now let's put it in that aspect where my cousins are my best friends. We do everything together. We take trips together. We take the kids on trips together. We
No,
go
listen, no
out
trips
club.
without him. No, you're gone too far. No trips without your husband.
So even if we're taking the kids, like next week we're taking the kids to Disney World, that would be an issue for him?
If I carry kids, them that different still. But like a girl, them on trips, no, not like that.
Man, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Suppose let's say one of the girls that get married and she having a out of town or out of country bachelorette party.
Pops call, come up. Yeah.
And I'm gonna be a part of the bridal party.
Did you ask for my permission?
Permission? What, Daddy? What did you say, Dad?
Exactly. Permission. I'm gonna run it by
Hold on.
you.
Daddy, I'm
So you're
sorry.
telling me that you're in a committed relationship. See?
What,
And
Dad?
you're going to have a function and you now
But
gonna
I'm
ask
gonna
me.
tell
You're
you.
not going to tell me
I'm
first
telling
and then
you, I'm
and
gonna
me give
tell
you
you
my
that.
take on it.
I'm gonna tell you that, babe, you know that Sassy is getting married and she's having an out of town or out of country bachelorette party. So she and I'm taking part in the wedding, so we're gonna be away for about 3 days. May I tell you, may not ask your permission, may I tell you what gonna happen?
Exactly.
May
Oh,
I inform
That
you.
is it.
That's
Exactly.
like what me supposed to do, beg and ask permission
Yeah,
and get up on me and say, can I go please?
exactly. Oh, master, can I go out with my first for her bachelor party? Like, are you crazy?
What?
so
Crazy.
why you never come and say, hey, Sasa get married and me go play the role there where I want you support somebody ask if you can come with me.
It's a
No, you're not. You
bachelor
can't come
party.
my
No men
bachelorette
allowed.
party. You cannot come. You're not invited. It's a women's
So me
party.
can drop you and wait for you.
It's out of
It's
town. Where
out
you
of
gonna fly
country.
out with me? And you have responsibility, kids, business, and everything to look after.
So you're telling me that as a husband, you come and you just tell me that, say, okay. So you see where the problem lie now.
No,
Then
me
you
not
come
come
and
and
tell
just tell you. You know about Sass all the while. You know Sass get engaged. You actually come at the wedding because we got the wedding as a family, as a couple. But it's just that the bachelorette party is out of state. Let's say it's from one state to the other.
oh,
Me
you
have to
add
apply.
context to it now, that different. Because you say we are going to go to
So
the
what I
wedding and
said.
stuff.
You
You
said
add
that
it
from the
now.
beginning.
But you
But
make
you're
it
not
sound like
coming to the
say, you
bachelorette
make it
party
sound like say
though.
you're not just planning the thing and you come and I say, yo, me I gotta do this.
No,
Okay?
no, that's not what I said.
Alright, so yeah.
The
By the
bachelorette
time you done
party.
talk it, by the time you done talk it, Jawbone said so.
Right.
Popsicle cop.
You know, it's funny how these nowadays women, I don't know if I really man them want or is another woman. You know, listen, any man will respect himself, you know, come back to a man because the relationship done. You go tell me, say, I go on girls trip and gone for much days.
Yeah.
Like what? You know?
Right.
Who
Yeah.
you come
Well,
back
are you
to?
referring to the bachelorette party or
Of
other?
course. You need to go overseas.
Yeah,
Right.
me I take part in the wedding, Popsicle. I forgot my girl's bachelorette
So
party.
no,
I
if
forgot.
anything, bachelor party overseas.
Yeah, in another
Bachelor
state
party
or
doesn't that
something.
always keep where the wedding is keeping?
No, it doesn't.
No, it
No,
doesn't.
Keep anywhere you
no.
want to keep
They
it.
keep anywhere the bride wants to keep
But
That is
it.
Popsicle, the
usually
problem with me, Popsicle, she said she now come ask you. She a tell you.
Yeah,
no.
because she's
But
a
you know
grown
about the
woman.
wedding.
What
She's
kind
a
of
About the
thing
grown
this?
woman.
wedding.
That's a kid.
What?
What kind
Tell
of
you
man
I'm
them there
going.
with?
Oh my God, me can't believe you know.
I
What
don't
is
Yeah,
think
the
it
come and
makes
most of
sense
tell
to
them?
go to
you
a
say.
bachelor party.
Right, me I ask the
Popsicle, I
permission.
think she add context to it and say, me know about the wedding too. And we plan to go. But she just, I tell me, I follow up where she go play her role.
No, if because obviously if we're together, them can invite you wanna invite me.
Pop,
No,
all right,
she,
but
A
let me give
first
Popsicle
thing
the
no, it's
context.
a girl,
Popsicle,
it's a bachelor, whatever the man.
Popsicle,
Yeah, but
me
the
and you,
bachelor party. Yeah.
Popsicle, you and I are married,
Bachelorette.
right? Me and you are married, and we get invited to my bestie's wedding. Now, when I'm a girlfriend, anymore, we close. She come for a wedding, you know her.
You talk about
We
besties,
get
yeah?
invited. We get invited to the wedding, right? I'm taking part in the wedding. You're not necessarily taking part. I'm taking part.
But we two
So,
will go into the
of
wedding.
course, we're going to the wedding as a couple. Well, yeah, you are invited. So she's having her bachelorette party. Let's say, let's even say it's in the same country. Let's say we're all there, Jamaica, but she have our
It must
bachelorette
be in the
party at
same
OT.
country.
Well, I'm not Popsicle, because right now, me sound like me in a shackle as I'm not reach nowhere yet.
Like Popsicle, who does band
So
talk.
let's say we live in Kingston and the bachelor party is gonna be in Ochi and we're going there for 3 days. We're gonna spend 2 or 3 nights and stuff. I'm gonna come and say, yeah, dinner, yeah, eat. I'm gonna say, oh, you know that Sas finished planning the bachelorette party, so I'll be going down Friday afternoon and I'm
Listen,
gonna be coming back up
That's
Wednesday
right.
and stuff,
listen.
and then we can start
It's
planning
My
what
name,
we
nothing.
can
my
do.
It's
name is Pops
nothing.
Call. My name is Pops Call, not Poppy Show, right? So me no
But you
know,
know about the wedding though.
me no
Popsicle,
know
what
who
why
you
the
want
problem
take
in
for
that?
idiot.
With what?
But
I never hear a party keeping for 3 days. You think of some
It's a
fest?
bachelorette
it's a
party.
You think of
I
some
want you to
fest?
understand what
Jesus.
bachelor party is.
Oh my God, me can't believe
He
this.
Them
doesn't.
understand what a bachelor
Alright,
party
Popsicle,
is.
now could take out the part there. What if you and her are married and live together and she used to hang out with her girly girls them every Friday? Zin, as a man now in her life, how much Friday would I give her? Or you make she cut it off? Where
I
all of them
mean,
go hang
one
out
Friday is fair. One Friday is fair.
one Friday.
Yeah, you no need to go out every Friday.
No,
We,
Okay.
definitely not. As a
I
wife.
mean, come on. Isn't a case of we hang out? Why we not
Yeah.
hang out two on a Friday? Why is it like we can understand certain things are tradition? You and your friend them hang out, whatever. You know, you have to go cut the time because you have a man now. You have a family.
Well,
We have
enough woman
responsibility.
understand when you're married, everything surrounded by your husband, decision, everything. And I think that enough woman are really fully ready for. Because them still want to be this type of lady where them do as them say, do as them go, and all of them something there. So them the mindset
I
no
don't think that's
transform.
true. I think you would take your spouse's opinion in
Yeah.
consideration, but
Enough
also
woman not consider it.
I'm not in a prison. You're not gonna tell me what I can do, and I'm not gonna come to you and ask you for permission. I'm gonna let you know, like, hey, I'm going to this place.
No, the Bible, even the
Okay,
Bible,
I
I
mean,
gonna tell you
I'm going
something
to let you
else.
know, hey,
I'm
no,
not in
no,
prison.
so
Marriage is not a
I
prison. Marriage is
Who
not a
say
prison.
work,
It's a
Damien? I say work.
partnership. It's a
no, it never
partnership.
works,
You're too
so.
adult.
So I have
But
to
if
come
the
to you and
Bible
be
I tell
like,
you so
hey, can
before
I
you go
come
on
No, it
in?
never works,
fasting,
so. Okay,
you're
no,
supposed to
Crazy.
ask your partner. The
I
Bible
don't,
said that, before you go on fasting,
No,
you're
you tell
supposed to
him.
I'm
Yeah,
not
go
asking
for
you
fasting.
nothing.
So
I'm
him know
telling
say
you.
nothing now go happen. You tell
You're,
him. Tell me
you're
before
supposed to
fasting this
ask.
So hold
Friday.
on, the blessed. Let
Nothing
me
not
say
gonna
something to
happen.
you.
Go
Because
ahead.
I do the topic here tomorrow, but me just ask you the question. If you are go out with a girl, them or your cousin or whatever you say, and me see her wear a certain type of clothes, and me say, babes, how you go take off that and put on something decent. You're offended by it, or you go take it off, or you go argue.
I would take it off because I sometimes you just have to kill. Maybe he has some kind of insecure thing, so just to kill that, I would
Why
just take it off.
why does it come down to insecurity? Why is
Because
it a
why are you
case?
telling me to take it off then?
No, that doesn't mean that he's
Oh, girl, that
insecure.
might mean insecurity.
I'm not wearing. I think I'm old enough to know how to dress, and I'm not gonna dress in nothing revealing or nothing crazy. So you wouldn't even have to come to me to tell
So
me to take it off.
so if the role were reversed and the man wears something where probably don't feel comfortable with, and you tell him, say, hey, I don't like that shirt.
Like gray sweatpants.
Exactly. Is it a case where him not for listen to you either?
I never did. You just hear what I said? Then I said I was gonna go take it off. So
Oh,
why wouldn't
yeah.
No,
And
man, she
that
said
why
she
doesn't
go
mean
take
that
wouldn't
you're insecure, right?
I'm not insecure, but
reverse
I
it from
wouldn't
her
tell
reality days,
if my
Popsicle.
man wears sweatpants. I don't care. That's his business. Like I don't care.
I suppose
As
him
long,
go one dinner and I wear the sweatsuit. You know, tap him and say,
of
babes.
course, I'm gonna be like, babe, why you wearing that sweatsuit to a
That's a
dinner?
Popsicle talk. So
Okay,
you can't
yeah,
say in a
I
business
was there
them.
for it.
You can't
But
say in a
that's
business with them,
because
man.
he's not dressing to the standard of the
Right.
occasion.
Yes, and I
That's
said,
a
if you have on a
difference.
battery ride, I go up on the road with the girls'
I'm not,
clothes, I want to eat.
and I would never do that because I have
Or you have
respect
on
for
one
him.
short skirt, and if you bend over, you know, say,
I
well,
would
I
not do
Evan,
that.
well, I Evan, where I see. I
No.
will say,
I dress
you have on
appropriate.
something and you want your pum pum print out tonight with ease. I'm say,
I would
don't worry.
dress appropriate. No, I don't
And
dress like
we get one church dress and say, them just a more style.
Church dress.
dress. I don't know about that.
In the
Yeah,
same
them.
prison.
That
But
And
just
you
you
like
won't
with
sounds
a
dress
like
a certain
miserably.
way as a wife. You wouldn't
that
dress a
sounds like
certain way
you're
as
in
a wife.
prison. Exactly. A church
You wouldn't
dress.
dress provocatively because you already have your husband, so you just go have fun. You know, go just
Exactly.
provoke. And I don't think as in a relationship either you need to spend a day out of the month with your girls. I think once you have a relationship, you can turn that into a quarter. Every 2 or 3 months, you spend some time. And if your friends are busy as well, maybe you don't even
Yeah, them
get to
have too
spend
much
as
time on
much
them, man.
time. Yeah, as much time
I
with
don't see
them.
nothing
So
wrong with once in a month because
yeah.
you take on so much. You're working, you're taking care of the kids, you're taking care of him also.
Your
So
stress reliever supposed to be
once
your
a
partner.
week, of course, I'm with you 6 days out of the week. One day is not going to kill you. One day is not going to kill you. If I go and that's how I, come back to
So how you
reality.
don't
That's
feel,
what
let's
makes
say,
me
how you don't
happy.
feel if your man go out, say them a go on one 2 day trip, him and him boys them. You don't have no problem with that?
No,
And he say your phone I got off, cause the
no,
signal
that's
bad.
No, his
that's a
phone can't go.
problem.
Damien,
Come on,
Damien,
come
I
on.
ain't saying
Damien.
that and
That's
text
a
you.
problem. Why is his
No, he
phone
say your
off?
phone I got off, his signal bad up there. What do you mean that's a problem? What kind of
So,
problem?
would it be a
Your
problem
phone I
if I
got
was
off.
in at my bachelorette party and my phone is off?
No, nothing wrong if his signal bad, that's it. But me I say, how would you react if me say his signal, his phone I got
He's in
off?
a hotel. He could call me off the hotel phone or give me the phone number for the hotel.
So are you insecure then? Cause you
I'm
watch your
not
man.
insecure, but why is your phone? That's
The
different.
man say his signal bad. You ever come to Jamaica and they open us on hill and something and his signal, all you call it does a job.
Oh, yeah, that's true. But yes,
But
you don't stay up there forever. You eventually come
up
out,
there, them
right?
a camp. Them a camp
Yeah,
up there.
my camp
Yeah, what
out.
your problem?
Yeah, you unfair. I
I mean
swear.
unfair. It's situations. What do you mean
Yeah,
unfair?
it's situation, but he's telling you ahead. If I
Yeah, tell
told
you
you that,
head can go out there
Yeah,
before.
because him
if
know the
I
spot how
told him
Torian
ahead
stay.
that
No,
my
man
phone
say
wasn't going to work
him,
at the bachelorette party, that wouldn't be an issue. He's
no,
gonna
it would be a
definitely
issue. No,
tell
it
me
would be
not
an
to
issue.
go.
It would be
He's
an issue.
definitely not gonna want me to go then.
No,
No,
I'm saying with me it would be an issue.
but
So
better
I'm
yet,
expecting you to give me the said energy. Not no
Mm,
number for no hotel, number for this.
but
yeah, I don't
better
know
yet,
about that.
what if when I get to the bachelor party, I accidentally leave my phone at the front desk? Don't pick up 7
We
leave
no
my phone
business
on
with
the
you. You
bed.
done say you go already. We no business with
Yeah,
you.
once a day you're there.
You did it, you did it.
He's
No,
lying.
like you're not go on the little updates to know what's happening, how I'm
No.
Oh, you
doing.
don't
So
want to
you're
know
gonna wait
that
till me come
outlandish
No
back to
shit?
one,
hear
no, no
from me.
update. If you want to update me with that carry me. And tell
No,
me
You
to
you
fuck.
can't
cannot
go. It's
go.
a bachelorette party.
May
You're
I
not
go and stay at
go.
one hotel and when you done do the rehearsal and something you come over the hotel
No,
with me.
man, you take this too serious. No, this is like no, sir. Then put one camera upon her. Then
Exactly.
simple.
No, put
When
an
you not
air
gonna
tag
have
in her
one man, when you not
suitcase.
gonna have one man a crave and a watching
I
us
watch
out.
you.
One of the one man with just lay back. Oh, do your thing and as you go and do so but
No,
Right.
not
which
lay
one
back
you
your
the babes?
thing, but there
Babes,
should
which
be
one
a
you
level
the?
of trust.
Yeah, which one you the babes? Alright, yeah, she gone now. Alright, yeah, man, she not come back for cheat day. Okay, alright. Yeah, man.
I thought since we reach back when we hear that left
We
bachelor
not
report
here,
it
but
down
me I
there.
say, look like he's a man like
Yeah,
that,
but
you know, want to just relax and just
no, but
run
they
it.
mean there has to be a level of trust where I'm gone and
Exactly.
do something and you do. So suppose my work and me have to travel for work. That would that be a problem to them, you know?
You
Suppose
see,
my
a
job
married
already
woman and
Exactly.
hang out with all of single females, it always stem for
So
the problem.
exactly. If you work, let's say I used to work in the airline industry, and sometimes I had to be in different states. That would be an issue for you then. So that
would.
means you're gonna interfere with my work.
Yep.
No, because
That's
you're
gonna be an
working.
issue.
That's different from you going out drinking alcohol, doing
But
all
the
kind
thing,
of
okay, but
whatever.
the place that I was with, the airline I was with, we had access to all of that,
Yeah,
unlimited
but I mean you're
alcohol.
working. It's a case where you have to be
Yeah, but they're
professional
still
while working.
downtown.
It's
They're
not
still
a case where
downtown.
it's not a party at the end of the day.
It's still downtown where you could have went to the bar in the same hotel you stay in. If I really wanted to do
Yeah,
something,
but
then
now
when
you
I
add
do it,
alcohol plus
when I
drunk
do it,
female plus influence.
listen. And if a man thinks that's somebody that's not secure within their self, and you know
Yeah,
the person you
absolutely.
are
It's
with,
not
you
trusting
know the
you,
person
It's
you
not
are
trusting
with.
your friends. I can trust you. That doesn't mean me trust your friends.
You know the person you're with.
But
Yeah,
birds
So
of
but
a
me don't
feather
know your
flock
friend them.
together. So if you don't trust my friends, what are you doing at me? Cause like
exactly.
I'm gonna
No,
be similar
trusting
to
you
my
no mean
friends.
worse. It you me and you don't discuss your friend them already.
That sound like a bad
I
recipe
pre-
because if my friends them
exactly.
so bad and you think I shouldn't be friends with them, then the may you
No,
always
I'm
have
not
problem in
telling
the
you who to
relationship.
be friends with.
That's
I just
basically
don't
what you're
trust
saying.
them.
But Sassy, hear me, Ali, you know, say you can have a husband or a boyfriend and he meet your friend them and something about couple of your friend them energy when not like and he might say, yo, yeah, and you always hang out with them and say, yo, you know, say, me rate more my relationship and your work, but me not like you hang out with the girl eh. The way me she talk about man and oh she this and that, me just not want you around them type of people. Would you have a problem with that?
Yes, I would have a problem with it because what if my friends see you and say, me not like your man, something about you not
Jaja.
sit right with me. So I better you left him or not stop talking to the boy there. What am I supposed to
So
do at
why
that
not there with
point?
your friend then?
Well, based on what me get from
Alright, just come
you
on.
come like you cherish a friend more than your relationship.
No,
So
that's
No,
not
you
you
say there
true.
with
don't
a friend
cherish
as
your
the papa
friend.
yourself.
Night
Yeah.
stars. You don't cherish your friend more than your relationship, but it can be a case where a man just come in and want dictate to you. You have your friend for how long? I
We're
understand
not
some
ready,
friends are
we're
family
not ready
members
for
to
serious
you.
relationship, man. A situationship we're ready for.
That's not
Amen.
true.
But the same
Nothing
can be said
serious,
about
no
your
time soon.
Yeah,
relationships.
they're not ready
That
for see they're not ready
That
for serious
you
are
relationship.
you
can't
for
say that.
real?
That doesn't make sense.
Cause if me and you in a one serious relationship and me have certain girl I'm used to hang out with or communicate with and you say you don't like that. You say once our relationship means something, I'm gonna do whatever I have to take to
Amen.
make
First
sure it's
of
done.
all,
Maybe I
man and
cut
woman
it
not
off.
supposed to be
That is
friends
just
because a
me.
platonic friendship, no, in a male and
Why
female
man and
friendship.
woman not have best friend?
Really?
It's not
So why
platonic.
woman fi
My
have
girl,
best
stop
friend
talking
then?
foolishness. Rubbish
It's
you
not
talking.
foolishness.
So
Men
how
do
so
not
but
hang
how
out
you
with
have
women that
best
they're
friend
not
then?
attracted
But
to.
you always get
No,
them
no, no,
damn
Oh
no,
something
my
out.
no.
God.
It's
She's
not all about
It
sexuality.
is.
You can
Yeah.
have woman friend or
Have
never
woman
friend
Men do
friend,
friend.
big
not
woman
cheat
friend when me talk
men
to
with
boy any little
women.
thing
So
They
about
how you
are
man.
have
not.
man friend?
It's
So
fine.
Jesus
so
God.
so do you look at your man friend like that?
Me not have no man friend like that. Any man
Yeah,
friend I
but
have is just that one away. Do
You
not
look like
walk
every
under
man
one
friend Ali
umbrella.
have then look her, so she come up with this concept. I have
no,
most of
every man
females
like
friend
that.
and I can guarantee 90% of them, me not look nothing from them, I respect
No,
them. They respect me and we keep it moving. We not chat on phone every day like that though.
But
Yeah.
Damien,
me
maybe
also,
most of your friendships come from the fact that you do this type of job.
No, me I talk
no, but
outside of
look on it.
this.
Me and
Outside of
I,
this.
when me used to go to school, my classmates say, yo, me and I can't have a relationship. Yeah, brother. And fun she tell me that, that's it. You know,
All
she
right. So
always
what
give
did
me
I
girl,
just
so
say,
we
Papa
never.
Ray? What
No,
did I
but
just say?
she said
That's
to me,
exactly
me
what I
never look
just
her.
said. The
No, you
reason
realize I'm
why.
Papa Ray. Papa
Me
Ray,
never
repeat
look him,
yourself.
you know. She just said me and your brother, and she one fan she tell me that me just say, and she give me woman, so me just
So
never
Papa
look,
Ray,
so
why
me
But
never
should
and
look
them
man
still
her
she
make
nowhere.
become him
phone
best friend.
call?
And if you want him in a relationship now, you say, oh, yeah, and the girl is so close. Mine, I know. And the man
Remember,
say,
I
no, man,
wasn't
I'm a
looking
friend.
her in the alley. I wasn't looking her,
That's
just
what
I
I'm
set her
saying.
with that
Why she
par.
say that to you then? Why she just
Because
come
I
up with
set
the
her with
door?
that par and them feel like said me and her always apart and feel like me and her together. So she made the statement clear. It's but me never that look her. She just let me know if she say it, me just me never that think that way there, but we just make it plain and straight and from that day till now me and her just friend. I mean never look on her the other way.
You feel
We
like
just a
she
friend.
think you that think that way there? Why she said that?
No, but she doesn't make it clear. Say she not remember you know, people seeing us
Okay.
together like you know you have a friend we always go check and then see how them feel like you and them they are school together, them feel like you and them in a things. I don't know
Yeah,
about
me,
that.
Yeah, send them something
I
true.
mean,
Yes,
me
sir.
have woman
People
friend,
and
and
set this
we
it's
haven't
not going to
crossed
work
certain
through here, so
boundaries,
send it.
and
Yeah,
I
you're
don't
not you're
believe
gonna know the
Email.
boundary,
I don't
man.
believe she is interested, and I'm
Put
not
it
interested
email
in
to
her,
her.
and it will
Then
never
people
get to
send
there.
yes, sir.
And you guys are really good friends?
Of
A
course.
good friend, you know, if you do you know if you sex someone.
All right, I'll accept what you
Sometimes I
guys.
never look on sometimes I gotta look on the lesson.
I'm trying to think of a male friend that I have that either never liked me at some point or I didn't like
And
at
that's
some
why I
point.
say you talk of your experience. We have to listen to other person's experience to kind of
So
gravitate and understand
the
how
man
other
know
person.
some remember to Ali as a man is that everything you are gonna be one thing. Yeah, you must can have friends. So you can't just think all the time you want to do
So
everything
Ali,
you
you
don't
tell
want to
me
do a
say you
girl,
know
you
have
know?
a couple taxi friend as man where you and them for friend where you know say we
Have
chat and
no friend way, no
no,
friend
they used to
way.
look you then, but they know so they can't get you and only become bridging friend. That never reach
And
yet.
that's exactly what I said. It started because they liked you. That's how the friendship started. And it kind
Yeah,
of
but a friendship have to start somewhere, Ali. Whether by them looking and you become
that's exactly
friends.
what I said. Men and women usually become friends because one person is not interested in the other one. Jesus, so that me say.
No, not all the while and every
No,
case.
man. You can just
I have a friend right now we're married to her husband and
yeah, and I
she
become
had chat
friend.
to me on the phone, all her husband in her background. And she said, Damien they on the phone and we chat and sometime he call me. I read just friend, me never looking wife and the wife never put an argument with me.
Yeah, you see? That respect
Yeah, we just respect each other. I mean never yet. I mean have
I believe you
multiple
can have those
woman
friendships.
friends. You have
But
man
it's kind
friendship, you
of
have man
hard
friend,
because
you said.
most men,
Mm.
I think for a woman
yeah,
still, a woman, I think a man
but
will more have
it's
woman friend by
it's
choice. But I think woman, most time man them, I go look them and then know so they can't get them and then still hang around said we and just be friend. But you have people who are naturally friend, just friend like that. I don't know if I
I
Yeah.
have
culture where you grew
one
up in a,
platonic friendship where I have like just one. I try to think of
because you have people
just
in
one
America,
platonic friend.
alright, switch up the culture. You have woman and man where talk like as friend and you say, yo, you never look nothing for her yet. And say, no, we're just friends. And I don't, she's not attracted to me. It's okay. And it will then just be friends. You have that.
hmm
Of course.
Yeah, my friend used to come look for me and everybody in the neighborhood think me and I did. I don't know me. Just make it look like that guy, then not for doing know people fast. I just make them think like something about we
I'm a
never
culture
done
where we
nothing.
grew up in a still, I know. We believe
Yeah,
say,
make you
woman,
feel like
we're supposed to
yeah, we
look
have to.
them.
Right.
Yeah, because right
You
now,
know.
if a
Is
man I look at a woman and he say, hey, can we be friends? She say, listen, I have a boyfriend and everything. Me no want, if you want something else, don't put it
yeah,
this. You block my number because I'm not cheap on my man. But if you want to be friend, I, what's up, bye, whatever, I'm cool with
but
that.
he
That's
really
what we
don't want to
do.
be friends. He really still just want her. He just want to see
Exactly. And he's
how
gonna hang
far
around
he can
until
No,
the
and
go.
then, no,
relationship ends.
she a give me
Exactly.
option.
He
And
wants to
then,
see
no,
how far he could go with her. No guy that ever be like, eventually, once they start putting, words to you and you're not, eventually they
Them
become
end the
angry with
friendship
you.
or
Let's
them
say,
wait
I
for your
know.
Exactly.
relationship
let's
end
say,
to
do
make
not
them
Yeah,
really
come
but
not
again.
get
It's
what
a
me a try,
fact.
say. You
I
not get what me
understand
a try
exactly
say
what
now. You
you're
not talk
but
over
you're
what
saying.
me a try
saying,
say. So you not understand what I'm saying.
I
Me repeat
understand what
again.
you're saying.
I am
Yeah.
saying she lay it out from the get-go. Some
yeah, so
guys
you
will
know,
walk away from that because she put
and
it up
some is
and plan.
still want
Some will still hang out and say, oh, I'm going to keep her friend. Maybe something might happen in
eventually,
a
yeah.
long run and way. But him going to know say she not interested. She not going to call him. No time. He send her one message. She take 3-4 days for answer. You get the demo there, so you get the demo, so you just move. That's what me I try to explain to you.
And I understand what them say.
That's what I basically
Enough man
said.
don't get the memo, but the
And
man
you
will
have
get the
some
memo.
people are just genuine. You know what I mean? Come on, you got people
Yeah,
can't just genuinely be friends.
genuine. Yeah, man will get the memo and just no say
All
that's
right.
it.
Look at it
You
this
know,
way,
we
Ali.
not
I'm an
pass the
auto
boundary.
electrician by trade, right? No woman come in my shop while I work on the car. After I work on the car, me become them friend. Just like that. Not looking at nothing. Me dey
No
on WhatsApp.
looking.
Why go on electrician? You good? Me say, I'm good man. How you good? Do? Me say, yeah man. Me there little picking and they give me trouble. And so, I come check a weekend and now we have something to fix for the car. And so, okay, all right, big up yourself.
Never
Then what's
yell up none of my service provider them yet out of the blue.
never?
Never yell none of my service provider them out of the blue.
Wow.
Oh, maybe
That's
you're
just me
professional.
still.
That's it. Maybe you're professional. You just but I have a lot of females friends from trade days.
I have a mechanic
Always.
and I only talk to him when something is wrong with the car. Like when something wrong with the car again or car need for service, me I have to dig for him number because me not yell him up. What me I yell him up for is just a service provider. Not to
No, I'm
say
just
I'm
saying.
mean
I'm
and I
just
do and
saying.
I'm selfish,
Those are
but
my friends, but they are
I
female for
understand.
me. So
I understand.
yeah, your type of friendship different to your mechanic, but I'm just saying I'm a flexi type of person, so me have females
And
friends.
even if I do have
Nothing.
male friends, let me tell you how it's weird too. Cause me I think it hard enough to see if me have male friends. I do have male friends, and you know, all me and my friend, just because me used to date in friend. I dated his friend, so by extension, me a friend with him still. So you know, him not gonna really put no argument to me because it's not possible. But based on what even to them I watch a man and him man say like men do not keep friends with women they are not attracted to.
That's not true.
Who thought them? Don't
That's
look
a
up
One
on
man,
me.
lie.
I watch them
and you know,
foolishness
me
Stop
there.
that
follow
send it
them
to you
idiot
when me I
man there.
see. No,
You know,
you're
a
not
lie
idiot,
man
man.
tell.
Me that send it to
Most
you
of the
and
I'm
watch a
time
man
men
foolishness
send it
keep
that
to
man.
you.
I'm
friend
just one
women
black
Come
friend
on,
American
there.
man. You
man.
say that. No.
Yeah. Come
Talking
on,
true. I'm
Ali.
black
It's not
American man. No.
everybody.
Voila, yeah. I'm black
It
American man.
matter if a black American, white American, or
Yes,
Jamaican.
it
It
ma
Yes.
doesn't.
it matter.
You have to put
Them
somebody in a
alone.
box now.
It matter.
No, it
That is why
doesn't
I ask
matter.
you.
Uno call
Jamaican,
everybody friend.
Jamaican man think different. American
No.
woman think different. Why you
You're
think I
right,
always
Jamaican man standards not really so up. Then put
why
everybody
you
at
think
their
me
friend
always
and
a trouble
talk to
best
every
Because I know say
ex.
she in the American system, so I was a trouble her.
Them are everyone of their ex, them a friend. Then talk to everybody, then talk. Come on, we just take this friend
uh,
thing to another level. Talk to every single ex you have. Yeah, all the ex, them a friend. Oh, me and all my
yeah,
exes
but
are friends. What?
your man and them ex be friends. It's just like a husband and them ex-wife end up being friends because them better have been friends than in relationship.
My
But
aunt,
you
you
have
see, ex-wife or ex-husband, especially if there are kids involved and let them have to communicate, then might as well you work something out and be cordial as ever. But I don't necessarily believe that if you break up with somebody, you must keep in touch with them and you have to. You know what I see happen
I
a
want
lot?
to talk about break up and stay with somebody. Then I have to do that. I will come up with that.
You
Who
know
said
what
that?
I see happen a lot? No, I'm
You talk
saying that
about ex.
Jamaican men
just
standards
say
are
like
different.
be
Yeah.
That's what
friend.
it came off
But
of because
enough
you're saying
woman
it's
do
just
that
an
mix up
American
boss.
man.
Them a friend with enough man with them used to do. So if
Yeah,
vice
women do it,
versa.
of course. What? Yeah, they do
But
it. Women do
you
it.
have genuine one. Me is a man. Once I say no, no mean no to me. So me never pass my boundary
All
with
right,
no
you
woman.
know why it's hard, Papa Ray?
Because
Remember this as somebody that have a intimate relationship with more than likely, it's really hard to know, bring the line back to just friendship and not ever reminisce or bring up anything that happened in the past. It's going
Oh,
to happen
people did
somewhere.
no man, but you have people married and divorced, Ali, and them and their wife and husband just live bitter. Them not a why can't reconcile. But then
Yeah,
deal
man, I
through the
know
kids them.
that.
Then
Yeah,
deal
yeah,
through the
yeah,
kids
definitely. I
them.
miss them for make that work, especially because them
Yeah,
have
but them
children. They
not
should
them
get
not
along.
and them understand each other who move on, them just not want dead. Them not like them one another. So you have different
Right. I
situation.
understand
There's
that.
some
That's
underlying
understandable.
issues there also. There had to be some strong betrayal for that kind of hate to
I'm going on a
resonate.
date, and I just pray this one's different. He's here. Hey.
Hey.
What the? I thought we were going to a steakhouse. Why are you dressed like that?
Well, I'm good. I got my slides on. Steakhouse. Oh. Yeah. I was thinking I have something else in mind.
Okay. Well.
Is that cool?
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ready?
What the?
Yeah, man. McDonald's in a shit.
This isn't the steakhouse.
It's all about spending time.
So steak no in a McDonald's?
I thought you said steakhouse.
I can eat here unlimited for the rest of my life for free. What's the problem? You're getting a free meal.
I guess.
Hello? I want to place an order.
On a Big Mac.
What do you want?
I guess the 10-piece.
A 10-piece? Do you have McDonald's money? Can I have a McDouble? You eat McDoubles? And I guess a small fry.
This must be a joke.
Exactly. I would have walked right out that car.
McDouble? Why didn't you get my 10-piece?
So can I see you tonight? I see you being very quiet this whole time. I don't know what's going on, but can I at least see you tonight? You're not, number one, you didn't even check to see if the food was fresh. Number two, like you're quiet. Like I don't know what's going on, but you know, can I at least see you tonight? I would.
See me? Yeah, right. Never. Never.
Honestly, I don't like that answer you gave me. And it's like, to me, it seems like you're banned
So,
from
Ali.
particular McDonald's, but like,
Yeah,
you gotta
bro.
realize, like,
This now man carry a girl on the first date at McDonald's and our reaction was priceless. But in a part two, him show the different side when he carry her go the fancy restaurant. Oh, she all up on him, kiss him good night and all of that and then Sunday. So it's just a little experiment for the show say, woman value you treat them like a queen, so you can have them or you want to have them. But when you display the type of behavior, the McDonald's thing, it's like, no, hell no, I'm not going with that. So you see?
Yeah, so you know if them real, you know?
That,
It's a McDonald's.
that was it, yeah, in my test hour.
Anyways, yeah, that's I go feel it. I go feel it as all the while. Tell me what I feel in Mark. Let me just tell it. Let me just put the F on the paper. And nobody carry me. I'm gonna feel. Cause like if you really respect somebody and like them, why are you taking them there? What kind of test that on the first date?
No, but you eat this
I
and
don't know,
Why
that.
did he lie to
On a
her?
regular
So
day.
most time you go
This is
eat the one
something
steak.
you buy on a regular day.
Yeah, how
It
many times you
doesn't
gonna eat
matter.
steak?
It does not matter.
Why?
Even if my
But
buy
why
my
did he
own
tell her they
McDonald's,
was
take
going
your
to
You,
the
daughter to
steakhouse in a
but
different
McDonald's. If
place?
you want to
yeah,
date
mix up.
somebody,
Them say a date
It's
is
a
a date,
regular
right?
day.
A
Nothing
date is
happen.
a
It's
date.
not your birthday. It's just a regular day. Two people
No,
decide
we
to
not
hang out
understand.
at somewhere where it's an average place. What's wrong with that?
Yeah, it's a restaurant. It's
fine.
named
I get y'all,
restaurant, you know.
y'all will find who you
Alright,
can take
Ali,
to
what
McDonald's
the name
and
of
taste it and
I would
taste
have
it.
walked
Ali?
right out that
You're
But
car.
there.
Ali, what them call is in McDonald's a restaurant?
It's not a place that you go to
No,
when you meet
Ali,
somebody, you get
It's
into
Ali
it's
them.
not for
is
fine dining.
in a McDonald's a restaurant.
I don't know about
Isn't
that.
it
It's
a
a fast
restaurant?
food chain.
When
It's
you
not a
type in
restaurant. It's a fast food chain.
restaurant, isn't the McDonald's come up?
It's a fast food chain. No, it doesn't.
So why
I
it
think
have
them
chair
some
and
here for
table
joke
in
like we
then?
not always try like
But
to
it's
do them something
true.
here and make it look
It's
like
a
women are
rest.
unreasonable
But
when women
no,
ask
it's
for
not
quality.
unreasonable.
When
But
women
you
ask for
can sit
quality.
and dine.
I don't. Come on.
You
You
can
want
sit and
listen. You
dine.
have these
Take your
expectations
daughter
on a
to
stranger.
McDonald's. That's
I
fine.
don't know
No,
you
no,
yet.
no.
The
Take your
fact is,
daughter
we
to
don't know each
McDonald's.
other.
But you're getting to
He's
know
a
me. Don't you
liar.
want
He
to
promised
present
to
the
But
take
It's
best?
Ali,
a,
you
it's
her
a
guys said a
normal
date
to
is
day.
a
a date.
It's
steakhouse.
nothing special.
Don't you want to present the best to me if you're getting to
No,
know me,
I'm
you
not
really
going to
like me?
pretend. This is
Well,
how you.
guess what? It's
This
not
is how.
pretentious.
Hold on.
Now. Listen, let's
This
say
is how
I'm coming
A
you.
on.
date is a
This
date, you
is
know.
how people
Yeah, me a company date and me not comb my
love
head.
bomb people
No
because you
problem.
want
Me
me
not
to
No,
comb
but
my
you
pretend.
don't
head.
dolly down already, Ali.
Me
You
not comb my
want me
head
to
and me not
love
do
bomb.
nothing. Me just a
You
come
want me to
draw
love
on
bomb
dirty
you.
slippers.
A
Me
lot
just
of
a
women
draw on
have
dirty
this
slippers
false
company date.
reality. Why the
But
man
as a
can't
Yeah.
matter
be
of fact,
himself?
carry me go to your
Why is
slippers
the
school.
sense
Four
of him
party me want
pretending?
and Poor Patty mo want the
That
cocoa
too.
bread.
You
Fine.
say
No,
you don't
you
go
know,
cases.
Ali, you'd have prefer if the man did rent him friend big car, him go use up in credit card, go buy,
Yes.
No, you're
fine
going to go
dining.
somewhere that is within your budget, but you're going to go
So the
somewhere
man not
that
going to
she
Tell the
budget.
can.
man budget that. Hear them
Guys,
now.
it is no legit. All right, whether this with joke or we serious
No,
about the
then the
fact
man
that
budget
her
that.
one
A
date
Budget
with
that
serious
matter.
thing
McDonald's.
me I talk about. Me that go on a McDonald's date. It's just a date. Sometimes you can do things fun. It's alright. What if so
I
taking a
understand
walk
it after you and
and
her
eating
dating, you
ice
know, go
cream?
McDonald's,
That's
go
for the
eat and
first
chat and
date.
laugh. You already know her. Your first date, you can't go. Me not go. That's why I'm glad. You
Okay.
know,
I
it's good
rather
to
you
hear
said
what
let's
you
go have
say.
a picnic than go to the McDonald's.
Alright.
I would
So
have walked right
for
out the car.
the first date can go for a walk and eat ice cream, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
enough people go
prefer
So
for
what
their
that.
the
first date at
difference in
Devon
McDonald's?
House. A lot of people go to
The
their first
thing,
date
the
at Devon
difference
House.
with that,
So
he lied
is
to her and told her they was going to a steakhouse. So she would dress for a steakhouse, not McDonald's. Then you take her to the parking lot of McDonald's. That doesn't make any type of sense. You deceived her.
Yeah, so him start the relationship on it with a
The
lie, so
man
you
says
just dump
stake
him.
out. The man never says stake
Man
She
said you
said
are
out.
getting to know each
steakhouse. Listen
other.
to what she said in the beginning. She said, you said we were going to us. She said, you're
Not
It
dressed like
was
we were
only
lost
going
that,
in
to a
you notice how
steakhouse.
much effort she put
pronunciation.
into
The
getting
man stake
ready.
out. The
Let's
man
stop
mean.
it, because you don't, that doesn't make
You
sense
know
what you're
how much
saying.
effort, you see, realize how much effort she put into the relationship because she wanted to ensure that she presented herself well for him. On the date, and you see him coming in dirty shorts, like him just roll out of bed and remember him of the date and just put on the little dirty foot slippers and run out. And
So
then now
wrong with
she's
that.
well
Wrong with
dressed.
that.
Not a thing, Damien, not a thing
That's not
wrong
when
with
you
it.
went to a steakhouse.
She's well dressed, and then now he's coming. He even asked her, "Do you have
And the
McDonald's
clothes you
Big
want
Mac
to get for
money?"
know, you want to get for know there's somebody in your
Yeah,
clothes.
everything he clothes important to me. Want to say look in your clothes.
Alright, man,
You
I tell
wanna
Yes,
be
you.
you
love
see.
bomb, Ali?
I don't
What's
care what
that?
you want to say about it, Pop Skull, because y'all think you can just do anything and women are going to respect you. And oh, he brought me to KFC for the first date. Oh, that's so sexy. No,
There
it's
was no
not.
effort in that date.
It's not. You can bring
That's
anybody
how
go
you
there shop.
setting the tone. That's not even, that's setting the
Exactly.
tone that you're lowballing her.
Yes, Val, that's why I didn't get used. Thank you.
You know,
Them
Get
not
Bobby
used
got
understand.
by
use
who?
me.
Them not
So
understand.
yeah,
Get used
exactly.
by who?
So what if me
Intentional
have it? What
men
if our
come.
second date will be at a fine dining
You know, matter of fact, let me give
establishment?
you one better. Let me give you one better. Let's say we go on the first date at fine dining and it went really well. We had fun, we laugh, we chat, we get to know each other. And then I say, you know, when we leave or whatever, I say, thanks for the date. I really enjoyed. Thanks for paying for my meal. And then I say, how about the second date beyond me? Where would you like to go? Or you want me to surprise you?
Exactly.
Val, good
Do
night.
McDonald's.
Val, I would have scrub one pop, man. Take time with it. Val,
Yo, night
Val.
massive. Night. Greetings, everybody. Oh, no.
Oh, Val, where are you?
Boy, I live one day at a time, you know.
Oh,
I
you
take
agree
it
with the
easy
ladies,
out here.
them? With them, I say?
No,
Have
man,
it?
not one bit. Not one bit. That's why man always use them, you know.
Mm.
Them get used really easily.
Mm-hmm.
Because here's the thing. You see, because the smart man them now know what for to forget the poems. They
Mm-hmm.
pretend to be something that they're not and carry you out. Because I want to ask you a question. How many of you have been to those fancy restaurant dates? And how did it work out in the long term?
Ooh, wow.
That is not even a fair question to ask, and that's not what we're saying. We're not saying men cannot pretend. That's not what we're saying. We're saying date intentionally. And if you really like a woman and a woman really like you, you both are going to come on your A game, and the intention is to impress each other. So you are on a completely different tangent now because you're talking about
But Ali, enough
situation
time I do that and
some
in a
people will
workout
get
too. It's why
into
we dress up
and
and look
not
good.
know who
And in a workout.
they
Why you
are.
can't
Them
be
have a
What?
yourself?
time.
You
You could
see,
go on a low budget date
that
and
is
it
where
don't
you
work
miss it.
out either.
No,
You know,
Exactly. That's why.
that is where you miss it. That is
Val,
where
the
you miss
talk.
it because you not take time to understand the value of a person's character because you try to impress. And
Right?
then when the relationship start to get along, you know what I'm gonna say? I know so you did that behave when I first meet you.
Yeah, that already enough time, bro.
Be
Ooh.
yourself.
Well, because me did I probably pretend with the
Me no
person.
want no woman we can't no like me for me. It will
And
never
who
work.
is taking her to KFC and tasting it?
No, me is me being
Okay.
myself.
So
Wherever
how
I'm
you
What
go
do
happy
into
and
you
a
being
fine
comfortable.
dining
yourself have
restaurant
to do
not
with
being
taking
yourself?
somebody to
Yeah, like you
McDonald's
just come with some
or
something way
KFC?
out.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. You see, my everyday is not going to certain places. Cause I know that you have some people them every day is going to certain establishments. You know what I mean? But if my everyday is not fine dining, right? Why is it that I can't by myself and go out on a date and we have fun?
We can have fun. That's not an issue. There's not. That's not. That's the thing that we're saying. I don't think you're understanding. If he said, "Hey, let's go bowling. Let's go to the movies," that's fine. It's
Yeah,
all about getting to know the person. But my thing with that video is he told her they were going to a steakhouse, and he
Alright,
took
so what if him
No,
never
it was
say that,
lost in
brother?
translation. The man says steak out, and she heard steak
He
out.
never said no
Out.
steak out.
Yeah, man did that correct
Stop
himself,
it.
but two she want to steak.
Just stop it, please.
that's why women just take yourselves on the date, buy your own meals, sit, eat, and matter of fact, keep your girlfriends, cause then you and them can go on dates, buy expensive food, and then you go home and you're happy. So you don't have to deal with
Exactly.
cheap men who think about taking it to Tasty and KFC. Cheap men who still talk about value and what they want in a
But
woman
Ali,
when
the
they
man
don't
then
even
walk here when you
see
got the fancy
you
restaurant, picking
valuable
up in
enough
the
to take
dimmer,
you to
then rev out to
somewhere
know.
nice.
Well, I know, then rev out to
Hello.
know and gone left for know. I want to left
Nobody
dance
can
a
frighten
man
me with
wicked.
food. That is beyond the point.
Exactly.
Enough
Food
often
or
I
a
No,
take
me
you
say
to
car.
no
eat
play
food. I'm gonna
this. Me
take
not
you
talk you. Me
beyond the
say no
point.
play this. Get trick as well. Valve say, value say. I want to get rev out and the man then gone left and they want to say, oh, him change. Oh, nah, get him on him phone. Oh, that's how you go still. I want to get one real man
That
who
you're
carry no,
implying, you know, you're
one real man who carry
implying
no go
that
McDonald's or somewhere. When you not
no,
give me time
your
of my life.
statement sounds as if you're implying that after the
Exactly.
steakhouse you go to a hotel, and that's definitely not the case. That's what you sound
No, you
like
know
you
mean in a
have.
one Ali. Come on, it's not in a
So
one night.
wouldn't you have
People love
more
bomb every
dates
It
then?
day.
is.
If that is the case, wouldn't you have additional dates at
It
different
can be
places?
No,
one date,
because
it can
listen
be
to
the
me.
third date, it can be second date. But the man,
First,
but him intention
the,
is for just get you and get where you want and gone.
the
But
man
you want
who's
go
love
on, you
bombing
know, you
you.
might try prove to you and you might try and look best, but you know, give me time of my life. That's a broke ass man and ladies, this
Why
and one
why
bag of something.
why would
Why
you be
want women
considered
to
a broke
accept
ass
less so
man?
bad?
Why would
What's
you
Why
it,
be
is
what's
it?
it?
considered a broke ass man?
Why is it that you think the man who is love bombing you will ask for crutches? First of all, he will not ask for crutches on the first date. He might go play into your game or what your likings are, right? And he might go carry you up on the perfect date, and he might go give you a hug and go home, and you say, "Oh, this is the best guy," because he never even asked me for nothing. You know what I mean? And take you on another
Don't
date and
even
do you.
touch me.
Mm-hmm.
Not even rub my hand.
Peak it,
Yeah.
sporting,
You know
head shape and
the
thing. Yeah.
problem what I have is that the women are not listening to us as men, trying to explain to them the game of how we
Them
as men
not,
trick
them
them.
not, them not gonna learn, bro. Them have it in
And
their
them
head,
not
so they know it.
listening.
They have it, so they know it all, and that's so them fall short.
Many of
And
us
that's
don't want to date anyway, so it's fine. We're not
Wow.
worried.
but my question is, how has those
Yeah, because if
date
you're
has
going to
been
come with
working
those
out for
stuff and
you?
say, oh, men are going to cheat, men are going to trick you, and men are going to this, why aren't women thinking like that? Why are
Exactly.
men tricking us and we are intentionally
Because
thinking
we're
about going on
trying to
dates with
let you
them?
guys know the character of good men and what
That's
to
not what
look
I'm.
for
That's
and
not
what to
That's not what
value.
I'm asking. That's not the question that I just asked, though. I think you're just wanting to respond and not hearing what I'm saying. Why are women intentionally dating and men are dating to trick and deceive women?
No,
That's what
you
I'm
have some
asking.
women are
All
also
man
Woman,
not
do same
dating
thing,
with
Ali,
the
just a make a figure
intention.
out
You
speech.
know what it is, Ali? They
Some
think
you know
that
have
you're
men who are
after
dating
something.
intentionally. Then you
But
know have
They
men who are
think that
woman
dating
just
you're
need
Yes,
man
intentionally.
you
to
are
go out
going
go
to
eat one
hurt your
big food.
people.
they
Your
What?
think
people.
that you're dating them to get something out of them.
No, but most woman date man for just go eat one nice meal and fancy restaurant and that's it.
I,
Simple
and that's
plain.
them. And that's them. Like Ali
Yeah,
said,
yeah, actually
that's why you
correct.
keep your friends because you can do that.
Keep your
And you go
friends.
out with
Yeah,
your
you buy
friends and
expensive
So your
food.
friend
experience
can grind. Hold on, your
everything.
friend can grind, yeah?
That's
It's
fine.
not
There,
about grinding. That's
that's
the
not
thing. It's not
No,
important.
about
man, say
grinding.
when I go home at night time and you sleep, are your friend not go grind, yeah?
But we don't want
No,
this being as
care
though
about
we're getting tricked. We can live
exactly.
without that. It's
No,
fine.
I'm saying, nobody not come and live by themselves. So nobody about say not come try.
Absolutely
Them
not.
always want
But
to
why
teach you
should you
something or
also
But
punish
me
you
I
for being
say,
a
in
woman
the
and
long
expect
run,
it
are your friend
genuinely.
go
So
grind,
annoying.
No one man no want to grind,
why should you deal with somebody if they're low blowing you? Low
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah,
blowing
low,
bro.
yeah, blow ball. So you carry
that's
somebody,
low
but don't test
balling.
any
So
woman.
Oh
that doesn't
God,
make
jeez.
sense.
So annoying. It
Boy,
is annoying because y'all
value the
always
woman
want
you
to
will never
try
He
let
probably
go.
to
must have thought the girl was a gold digger.
We are trying to
prove
teach
a,
him and then now here,
this.
value.
What is
I don't need
this?
to. The thing is, I'm not dating a guy for what he has.
How far
If
phone a
I'm
vibrate?
dating a guy, I genuinely, huh?
Somebody phone a vibrator. Ali,
Yeah.
I will call you.
I mean, no, understand. What kind
How
of
much?
question? A woman, definitely not a man. Me not talk to man.
See it there?
Oh my God, like
All
a
right,
fool.
let me ask that question now. What are the values you guys look for when you're dating a man?
Lord God.
I don't really look for anything per se. I just value who is consistent, somebody who stick by their words, and
And a man
somebody
who
who shows
financially
a
stable. Don't left
genuine.
out the part there.
That you look for in a man.
No, don't left out the
Oh,
part there.
okay. And somebody who genuinely shows that they consider me and all of that, right? So genuine consideration, consistency, and what the other one I
Honesty
remember?
and
Yeah, and the
respect.
person honest. Yeah. You know when somebody care about you as opposed to when they're love bombing you, love bombing is something that move fast and I talk like love bombing take a long time. No, it
Ali, go
doesn't.
like she not care
Love
about the
bomb
Love
career
time.
where
bombing
man go
Love
and
moves
bomb
get
don't
very
take
a
time.
love bomber moves very fast because they want to ensure you don't pick up on what they're doing
Exactly.
by the
And
time
get
you're
what they
Normally,
ready.
a
You know
man
want
take
what
and
they're
them
doing.
hurry up
time.
and
You don't
leave.
have to tell me about love bombing. I know what that is. When a man come in and he might tell you second day, say, boy, I never meet nobody like you in my life, mother mark you. Love bombing. Third day, I tell him love you. Love bombing. We know what love
Exactly.
bombing is.
No, that's how
So
it
women are
changed now.
not
Ali
them.
now gonna come with that a
It
different
First
doesn't
day he
style of
wanted
change
to have a
responding.
baby
properly.
with you.
Yeah.
We
I'm
know
gonna
what
just
love
have a
bombing
baby with you.
is.
I stay as my wife in no time. That's love bombing. A love bomber moves fast because they don't want you to pick up on what they're doing before they get to
They
do
don't
it.
want to
So
reveal
it
their
is in
true self.
All
right.
right,
Eventually,
Ali.
you find out.
All right,
All right,
Ali.
value, yeah.
Yeah, I like the way you answer that question. It shows me that you have some sense of maturity. And based on that answer, we can look for some growth and we can talk some more, don't you know think so?
You can talk. I listen. And
All
if
right.
I
You,
want
you
to
you
answer,
see
depending
you
on
see
what
where
it
you
is.
see where I just went with that. The reason why I ask you that question is because a manipulative individual like some men, not me, because I just be the devil's advocate, ask you a certain question because he want to get pooms from you. So he might go hear what you say and then validate it. You see what I'm
Yes, I
saying? And
know.
then you
Him collect data and then use it back to serve you.
exactly. That's
I know
where we're
that.
coming from. So
I know
based
that.
on that and how I hear you express yourself with what you want on a first date, if me see you and me like, me gonna use that for manipulate you and get you in bed. And then after me get you in bed and get what me want, me gone. And that's what these
You'll get
guys.
me to eat a meal at that
No,
point,
I'm
but
never
you
get more
won't
than
get
meal, man.
anything
I'm
Ali,
gonna
else
tell
me
you that
talk
right
after.
over a
now.
period
I'm
of
gonna
No,
get
time.
more than meal.
I'm telling you, you get me to eat the meal. You don't get anything else after that. That doesn't guarantee you anything, sir.
No.
No,
I
I
don't
don't.
think because I eat a
It's
meal.
not. Listen, Ali,
Ali
please
talk your
listen.
whole concept of knowing, getting to know you. If
Right.
everything work
It's
out,
the
He's
That
what
is
is
where
best
I'm
meat you
coming
ever
generalizing
from.
go
Jesus
though.
past.
God.
And
The
and
man
the
that
next
means
thing
them
I
out
want
there
y'all
for
to
play
know,
Pause
food
for a
and
and
things
me
minute,
like
telling you
Ali.
this
that.
all the while, and no, nah, get it. Me telling you this
Jesus
all the while,
God.
nah, get it. Y'all, a bunch of men can never calm me down. Listen, women get into bed with who they want to get into bed with. Stop thinking that you did something magical or you tricked her. She possibly already admired
Exactly.
you, think you're
She
sexy, and
wanted
knows
to
that
do
you
that
want you
already.
anyway.
Of
Yeah, but it's
Stop
the
course,
acting as if
intention.
you work
It's the
that's
hard.
intention. We never say you never participate in
Come
that.
on.
So why?
Women
So
Some
think
why
of
like
y'all
men
when?
think y'all
me
too.
nah live the
bamboozled the
reality,
woman
people.
Ali,
Me
into
nah
why
listen.
doing
when?
Me I
that.
try
Come
giving the
on.
game.
But
Come
Ali,
on, we
why
Try
when
play
you no
give
games
you
as
find
the
out
well.
game.
We
now?
play
Una
games. The
say a
only
tricky
difference
man
in
trick
this
no.
is when we start doing that, we start getting emotionally attached. You have to be very tough as a woman to not get emotionally attached when you start sleeping with a man, right?
That's the problem, and many women don't know that. But don't think that you've finished me after you carry me out to eat because I tell you what worked for me or what doesn't work for me, and then you get something and then you're gone. No, sometimes the woman look on you, you
If
not
the
even
man
talk to
was
her
the
yet, and
opposite,
she already know that if you invite her out, she going.
but Ali,
So
if
she
the man
already
was
knows
the
that she got
opposite,
balance. So
Ali,
in other words, Ali, you try say she already knows she gonna give up on the first night after
Of
dinner.
course she knows.
If she
Of course she
choose to,
knows.
yes.
Of course
And
she
Of
that is the
course a
knows.
point.
woman
That is the
knows.
point where
No,
Valentine
that's not the
make.
point he's trying to make. He's
No,
trying to say
He's
he
not. He
finished
trying to
me
say the
because he
man play
fed
mind
me.
games with you,
Yeah, that's
and
what
let
he's
you
trying to
have
No,
know
I
to
some
must say
make
say.
you
woman,
some
want to
man
Ali,
do
do
that.
Ali,
that.
have some
Some
woman
man,
where have to play mind games with and
mind
have some
games.
who just get up easy. So in other words, him attack in general.
Yeah, he say if you find one hard
Right.
nut for
So if
crack,
it
he
work
must
out for
do
you
that.
like the man and you give him up on the first night, it work out easy for him. And you have some woman now, him have to work in socks off and try to prove to her day
Yeah.
in, day out before she committed and does sorry. You know, him a show like
Yeah,
him
and he will
good.
play the
And
game
let me go
until
the
him
next
get
step
it.
with him. That is it
And
where I try to say in general.
and
But
what
Yes,
is
some
also
women try to
important,
play a long game. Yep.
Ali,
wait,
Ali,
brother.
pause for a minute. Let me tell you something. Some of us are so creative that we'll wait even 1 year, forget the pumps. And as soon as we get it, if we
Now
don't
wait,
like it, we're gone.
But
now
guess
wait
what
1 year,
I've
we
Nah.
are
learned?
there.
Guess what I've learned,
2
Value?
months I
Yeah.
nothing, or 1
No, wait,
month.
no.
Then
Guess
you
what
don't
I've
have
learned
no
today,
hard
Value?
nut with her.
What time 1 year for 1 woman, brother? We are talking for the
Exactly.
shit.
No, but
Value, guess
Then
what
yeah,
I've
man, you do
learned
you
that,
with
don't
that,
think
man.
what you just
eventually he
said.
might
I'm
After
gonna
start
happen.
back
liking
that
this
scenario
person?
up.
Brother, 2 weeks and that's it, bro. I don't have time for waste, bro. I live
No,
a fishing
Value,
and
you
the
made
sea.
an
I don't waste
excellent
no
point,
them the time
right?
for now.
Let me tell you about an
1 year.
intentional man. An
Don't chat
intentional
about it.
man will not be chasing a woman he really wants for a year. He knows that's already a loss. What he will do is to move on to another woman
Of
who will
course.
give him what he wants. Any man who
Yeah.
chase for a year, me always hear another with that man, they come and humble you.
For a
One
Give
year.
him the
year,
3 year, leave that man alone.
depend
Because
on
when that
one
man get
time.
you, him going to say, you see, you either play hard, look how me go fix your business. So come on, you can't tell me about me now give
Yep.
if me talk to a guy for 1 year and
You're
never
gonna
attracted
talk.
to him enough to sleep with him, I already know I'm never gonna do that. Because he's gonna try to humble me and prove a point and say, you see how long I make me wait, watch you make a flap your show. Because no
No,
My
intentional
question
man
is,
is going to
Ali, my
wait on you for
question,
a
sometimes,
year.
my
sometimes, Ali,
point
sometimes
is,
somebody waits.
my point is that do happen. And that is why I
You do
stretch it
Get
out
happen,
to
now,
man.
because that's
light-headed women
exactly what I wanted you to
who
say.
do
No,
not
not light-headed, because some woman just
light-headed,
nah give the
giddy-headed,
time of day.
not smart. Mm-mm.
I feel like,
If she like
Mali,
you for her, she
everybody,
give the time of day. Me I tell you, she not make you wait a year if she like you. Unless you're
Don't
that
Christian
say
and
man
she
a
she
look
not make you
so
woman
wait a
fairly.
day. Just say the first date she'll give once she like you. Where you pretty it up for? I'll go and listen
yeah,
to you now.
that happens too.
I
Or she
mean,
just say, all right,
Yeah,
after the
yeah,
third
my
date, she
man
get
and
to go.
Trinidad, dear man.
uh,
The girl say she not giving up homes. Them have to marry that. You know, say man married and have sex with her and left her.
anyway.
No, that's a waste, man.
So Ali, I waste man that. So Ali,
I
That's
know,
a
I know,
waste.
I
with you
know, but
liking the
me I try to
man,
show you some man thing.
Ali, with you
Hmm.
liking the
He's
man
slick
and
to do
getting it
all
on
of that.
the third
What?
date.
What you say,
Uh,
Damien?
with you liking that man and him get it on the third date, that's what you say. Are you looking for a serious relationship with that man or you
We
just
do the
working to play?
same mind games as you. It's just that our chemistry operate differently. It can go either way. Maybe after that, me not like you again either, right? But
Uh-huh.
what I'm saying is a lot
Oh,
of times women start getting emotionally attached to a man after she sleep with him. A lot of women that happen to. But if you're a smart woman and you know how men think and you operate like them, you can after you get it.
you
What if
mean
it's
masculine?
trash? What if
But
it's
remember from day
horrible?
one, the
I'm
man have the
disappointed.
intention say was just the pum pum in want and him a go move.
That's okay too. With a smart woman, she know if never ever call you back and make you go on.
But
There's
what
more
if
out there.
no, but
Hello.
sometime when man give you in a bedroom, you never get it before, you crave for
And she
that
get attached
feeling.
to you in that case.
Yeah,
If
so
she's
and then
light-headed,
the man and then he start clowning you out now.
if she's giddy-headed, but if she's
And no
smart and
matter get
intentionally,
headed,
she
any woman
avoid.
can get clown man.
Listen, there is a way. Listen, you need to learn that absence make people
Mm.
crave you. The more you're dead for somebody, and the more them want get away from you. And you not give them no space. So let's say after the act, the man want go around you and go on like say no want you no more. What you do is give that man him space and never call him. Who are gonna start think now and say, oh shucks, maybe I wasn't as good as I was when I did that because should I not call down my phone? I know this the other girl them
The
usually
man
do.
we
Guess
just
when
go for
start
one
now?
and move off and you not find you attractive and just take one and go. Yeah, till sit down You build up all these things in your head to
No,
ratify.
and I said to you, you move on as a woman as well. You move in the opposite direction. If a man is not attracted to you, why you run him down, Kodo? Move in the opposite direction.
Ali,
So
you're
the
not
more you
talking
sleep
all
with
like
them, the
woman, because
more
what
you're
if a
going
girl
to
out the
get
road I
attached
run,
to.
what if a girl out the road I run back a man when I want them? So it's
Yeah,
always
because
about
them keep on asleep with the man, they man, so them keep on a grow this attachment to him, and the man no want them still. Kind of
that
some men
happened to
get
the best of
attached.
a woman. Top of the
Not the
No,
top.
best
man.
of them. A
Okay,
lot of
brother.
smart women are there that
Mix
know
up.
these things.
What you
Mix up.
consider smart woman? A well-educated woman who know her
Not
shit?
well educated, but a
Well,
woman who understand like how she or a woman is supposed to operate and how a man operates. You understand what
I
a
put it
man
this
value
way,
and
a
what
girl
a
who are
woman value.
25, 26 is going to have a different mindset from you. So these things come with
If
age.
she was raised properly, she probably would already know some of these things. If she
No,
had
she wouldn't
a
know. You have to
father, she probably
experience
would have
things.
known.
You have to experience things together.
Damien, you
Experience
always
and
want to
learn.
talk for everybody, but you
No,
don't want
I'm not
nobody else.
talking for everybody. I'm just saying some people you can't just present a story to them without them going there, go
Damien, if
experience
a
it themselves.
woman that was raised with a father will always instill certain things in you, and
It
that
no
me
matter
try
what
tell
you
you.
install in your daughter or son. Look how much people tell them that say use a condom before you dogo and then still go road and go breathe and come in with belly. Them
A
have to go
perfect example.
experience it, Ali. So you can't say growing with a parents, him go install that in your work
In
so
certain value, but
They show you the game, though.
you know what? I'm not gonna argue with you because you see you whole way you're holding on, you're
no,
stubborn.
it's not wall, but you have to look on
So,
life two way. That is what I always tell you when we are
and I
reaching.
do,
Alice,
but you
I
want to look
understand what
on
you
it
say,
one way,
but
you
we
want
look on
everybody
it on a
act the
wider
same.
scale. It happened this way. We know a person growing a Christian woman and still turn out to be G-man, as in like
Yeah,
man with
of
a big
course.
pie. And we
Mm-hmm.
don't, my father install, love Jesus, love God, do this, but it's just when I go a road, a different thing. Girl
Right.
picnic, your mother talk to them, when they reach a road with them friend, then go and sleep out with man, school, all
Exactly,
type of something.
Millie. You're
But we
decent
can't
from
do
them
It's
and you
nothing.
just like
detach
when we
from them,
grew up,
operate like
right? Them
them.
say don't touch the fire. And
Yeah.
all of a sudden, guess what?
It
You
gets
have to touch the fire
interesting.
if you know
Yeah, it
say it
gets
gonna burn you.
interesting because you want to know what
You
going to happen
want
if
to
you touch it.
know. Don't trouble, don't take body, you want to know. You got to take body, your belly swell. Then you come in a ball.
Listen,
Yeah, and then
it
the
got
man where
all
you get attached to then hurt you.
you can't
But don't
generalize.
think like a man don't get attached once you master the art of detachment.
Yeah,
And you
and then the
let
man
What
where
go.
happened
them
to
get
the sense
attached
of the
to,
man detach?
and then the man
But
where
you see,
them get attached to hurt them, hey?
for women, it's different. That's why women cannot sleep around, right? Because once a woman starts sleep with a man, she start think say our man that. Even if the agreement
Yep.
was me and you, not there, we not
Yeah,
there. Me
man,
after
them
woman who look
always
at what
want
thing, then
label man.
start get attached. That's why
Ah,
problem always happen afterwards. Because women cannot just sleep with you and just stay detached. She have expectations after that, and the more she do it, the
When
more
Shaggy
attached she
doing
get,
good.
right? The more attached. But a man can do that because them do that like sport. They don't attach the same way. They attach by investing in a woman, so it's different for them. And that's why I'm telling you that if a woman, as a woman, you know these things, then you know how to operate. The best thing you can do if you want to see if a man interested in a you is to close your legs and see what I'm willing to do for you with your legs closed.
and yeah, me
So
want
so
them more man.
Nah, nah,
isn't
nah,
isn't
nah,
that
So we
nah.
do it with them.
so?
When the
You
days are
see,
all time days.
a
Close
And
it
I'm
lot
not
up.
of
No,
trying to
and then
wait for no
Nemo,
man with that.
yeah, man, and so
a,
me like how you think more
a
time.
lot
You
of
just
No, me just I
say
tell you
something
now,
that
so
you
no man
know
have
for.
time for idleness about your clothes
I
like
know
a
I
man.
can
Man, nah,
I know
no
I
time
Spend
for that.
money and
I
do
know
all
I
Yeah,
type
can
of
man, your
things.
operate.
clothes
Come
shop, man,
on.
open supermarket, man. What
you
you
know
talk about?
a lot of women
Come on.
use manipulation, tactics. But you see when it comes down to investing, this is how a woman sometimes get a man for. You see anything people invest in, it's more likely that you have like some personal attachment to that. So now when you as a man just start pouring out your money and all kind of something, in a woman, you're gonna become attached to that person. Before you know it, she have your head has been like a gig.
Pop Skull, the reason for that is because men attach by investing, and that's exactly what I said. So you just spell it out in a layman terms, but that's what I said. When a
That's
man
a
starts,
manipulation tactic.
it is not a manipulation
Yes, it
tactic. If you're
is.
genuinely interested in another woman, you're gonna invest anyway. How is it that a
No,
manipulation tactic?
no. If we are truly getting to know each other, and we have, me I come clean, you are come clean. It's not a case where you would have to manipulate me. It means us being our genuine selves. Not supposed to be you wanting something out of me or trying to make me
No, it's
invest in
not me
you.
wanting something out of you. It's you wanting us to be together, and so you're investing because that's the way you attach, and that's your
No,
way of
and
showing me that you genuinely want something
no,
with me.
no. It's supposed to be like, you know what? Let's come together. It's not supposed to be you or use manipulative tactics to get me to invest in you.
No, it's not manipulative tactics. What is manipulative tactics? What did I say? That's all manipulative.
Of course,
Make you
the
close
man
your legs.
investing before you give out nothing.
Yeah, close your legs. What do you think
But
that is?
then again, when you open your legs, you guys talk about, oh, it was a trick. I tricked you.
No.
I
Exactly.
What
tricked
should I
you.
talk about? Some
No, you
schoolboy,
guys
some
missed the
schoolboy
point,
thing.
you know. You
Some
missed the
schoolboy thing.
point.
No,
So what's
Ali,
the
you don't
point?
trick the man.
Like a
What's
high
the
school
point?
business.
Just
I
What?
I
don't
say
know
it's a
which man
good
in
thing.
What high
this
school
day and
business?
age, Ali, that are gonna wait 3 months on a woman if them living in the same country for getting a crutches from her.
3
Exactly.
months. It's so 3 months is a long time, pop
Of
skull.
course,
I mean,
that's a very long
you
time.
know much web
Okay.
Anansi make. You know much monkey climb tree them down. You know much
What?
horse building at 3 months.
3 months. Hey, Ali, you know what 3 months what I going out with fancy restaurant and all sort of something?
Lot
Ali,
of
if you
three
date a
months.
man in
I
a
can
three
tell you
months,
this though.
Ali in a 3 months, if you date a man and you know him I get the pump him in a 3 month, and him carry you out all heap of places and so, would you consider dating him like carry him out too and cater to him
I
for
already did talk about that a while ago, but probably you didn't listen. I said after the first date and you carry me somewhere nice, I call him. I said, yeah man, I really enjoy with dating and we have fun and we talk about it and reminisce. I said, thanks for the date and thanks for pay for my meal and everything. I'd love to take you on this. The second date is on me. Where would you want to go, or you want me pick the place? And you say, all right, surprise. Let me see if you know good things. We laugh. I say, all right. I'm
all
tell her,
right.
say, all right, well, make we set a date
That
then.
sounds fair.
Ali,
After you do
I
the
set a
second
date
Ali,
date
and me go up on the second date and I
and
pay.
and the
I go
third
in
date,
and
Ali,
I
so
who
pay
pay
what?
that
for
pay
who
Ali,
pay for the
everything.
what?
third date?
Anybody
So
who can
what
pay for the
date is
third
the
date,
first
if
kiss?
huh? What
Rally
What
what?
is a
date is the
liar.
first kiss? Hmm?
What?
What? So what date would the
Any
first
date, the
kiss
vibes
be?
is there, the attraction is there, the feelings are
Okay.
there. So I suppose the first date we have vibe really well and we did there, play with each other when we are left the restaurant and we are laugh and we get really playful.
That sound
Oh.
manufactured as well.
Anything you want to say.
How
When people tell the
manufactured?
truth, you know, say
One thing I get
manufactured.
with
When
Ali,
people
Ali
tell the
sound like
lie,
one she a date
Nah.
a man, she write down and plan for the algonaut when him a get the pum pum, where she a go take from him, how much money him to spend, how much him to peak before she consider. Lord God, me have to go try this something there.
y'all want people to do things casually and then now on turn on and tell talks on trick them or them easy or whatever, cause men do that a lot. But when
Then
somebody
easy. All if a
show,
boy thing, you see me I tell us some boy reason.
but
I be
y'all said earlier that
no man, the big
men
man
trick
no
us
reason
a
them
lot.
way the
Blessed,
Ali.
what did they say earlier? Weren't they
Man
saying that, oh
easy.
man trick we use we? What the difference when you say no use
No
somebody,
man, when
what
the
the
man say
difference?
We
trick
just
and
have set
use meaning
we just saying
Jesus
exact.
God. Which man sit down and talk about woman? Me never discuss woman. No friend no know none of my woman
Right.
or whatever. What you
He
talking
said
about?
he used tactics to trick and
I'm
use it to get you
confused.
out
I
your
saw I
panties.
look a boy there we bun them weed and
But
them
isn't that what
panty
he
them.
said?
Yo, me get one off of Ali, you know. Me say,
I'm sorry, what was that, Blessed? Come, dear man, no, nothing about me. So me don't know.
no, me just say, you know,
Blessed,
look
what
a
you
man
say?
there got do them little
He
thing
used
and them
tactics and
pan.
he played with you.
Right,
Yo,
exactly.
Ali,
That's
pum
what
pum
they
good a
say.
creep.
So
You
what
know
No,
would
there.
be
that's not what Value said.
Yo,
Value said
follow.
that they play mind games with you. They use tactics to get you out your panties.
right?
You have some man good at that, but the real star man them like we just do we thing and girl just you see ball game.
Yeah,
Girl
because
no afford.
you see the thing about it, one of the thing, when a woman like, them spend on you, that's the first and most important thing that we need for know as men. When a woman really check for you, you don't have to ask them for nothing. They will take care of you
Yeah, that
right
Ali.
away.
Ali, I go come with
Yeah.
something. Listen, wait for it.
When a woman attract you, she gotta
Ali,
And
them
the
don't know that
man,
type of
No,
style.
but I always say that, Damien. So why you say me I go come fee, and me always agree upon the fact. So when you like somebody, you treat them different from when
No,
you
the
don't
man
like the
said when
person.
a woman like a man, she spend on him. But you in the other road that said no.
No, it's
oh,
true. A
man,
lot
no
of
forgive
women
man
when they like
money.
men, they'll go
No, you
down in
that
their
said
pocket. Me
no.
not do that. After me no Google.
Exa- You know what?
So
You
me no
don't know.
idiot.
You know
It's
what?
not no
Google.
Me no
Google.
You
Google.
see,
Google
so
now.
this is woman them
No.
who
I know,
naturally love a
listen,
man. You see what I say about you?
listen, and
You hear
no
what she said?
decent
Boo boo.
man, no decent man that really wants a relationship with you, that respect you and want you to respect him, will allow you to get up spending on him.
No, but you not spending no me no
Okay.
borrow money,
Wow.
Ali.
How about this?
Alright,
Okay,
Ali,
fine.
yeah,
I'll just keep
look
my
on it.
ideals because
No,
apparently I'm
you
weird, crazy,
different.
and out of this world, and only
Wow.
can keep phone. No, we can agree if we disagree.
Nurse Steve,
I
come up. Hold
don't.
on. Nurse Steve.
Ali,
Nurse
me
Steve.
meet girl
Nurse
already.
Steve, come
Me
up.
meet woman already and me and her start talk a couple of days.
Where's your
And she
private
just buy me
party?
some she just buy me something like buy me a perfume. And me never
Nurse
want
There's
the
Steve,
nothing
come up.
perfume.
wrong with that, Papa.
Yeah, but I still
That's
spending
nothing
money.
wrong with that. Yeah, of course I'll do that. I'll do that, but me not gonna get up
You
and
would have
ask you
buy
if
one
you're
two
in
hundred
pay.
dollar
I
perfume.
think I
What you
think
say?
when you
If
say
mother
You
do
would have
spending,
what?
buy
you
a
take
two
it
hundred
back.
dollar perfume, give.
200 what?
$200 perfume.
Bro, please,
You would
please.
have buy
I'm
that.
beyond that. I'm way beyond
Yeah.
that $200
Oh, yeah,
perfume.
Alice spend money now.
Nurse
No,
Steve.
but I spend my money.
Good
Nurse
I
night,
Steve,
spend
come
my
up.
Damian.
money. I'm just
We
not
Okay.
not
gonna
have
get
to
up
that
and
plan for
act
your
stupid with
first
it.
date.
You alright?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm alright, you.
There, man. You agree? We have to say, if you, yeah,
That's
suppose
still
you have a
arguing today.
relationship with a man and you go out and you tell him where that you obey him and just go change it and wear something when you feel comfortable and you put on your what you want because you want a big woman. Did I do that?
No, for sure, me will consider the man feeling. So if it is that him asking for change it, it must be a reason why. So
And
for
nurse,
sure,
look at the next question, Nurse Steve. If you are used to hang out with the girls them every Friday for the whole of the year, so you know 4 Friday in our month, so every Friday we hang out girls' night, and you might find a man now married and want to settle it. Would you cancel that completely, or you'd just limit it to 1 week only, one Friday weekend only? What you'd do with that?
it would have to be limited now because when you're in a relationship, you can't do like you would do when you're single. So if you have true friends who are really good friends, they will understand. Not say you go neglect the friendship or abandon the friendship, but when you're in a relationship, there are certain things that you can't do anymore,
Suppose the
because you're no
husband
longer
say, cut
saying.
off all of them girl, me know when you go out on them on a Friday. You that work you doing, say?
It depends. We'll have to sit and have a conversation about that. If
Okay.
there's a vital reason why.
Okay, think you a reason why, like, say, yo, me not trust them girl, me know I hang out with them, I feel uncomfortable.
Oh,
Yeah,
what
that's...
makes you not trust them? I have
Oh,
to get all of
Because
Nurse
that
they,
Steve,
first
they,
before
Nurse
I
Steve,
they
decide.
what,
have
Yeah,
what,
yeah,
what
it
I
all
do with that?
they
depends.
have questionable characters. She a get a man bun.
One of them are cheap and
Well,
all them man too, and you know, you tell me about her.
well, I
I'm
don't
like,
keep friends of such, so that
no,
wouldn't be
man,
the
because I tell you,
scenario.
find out, then if you find out your friend are cheap and husband, you dump her, and done with that.
For sure, because then if you're cheating on your man, then I can't trust you as a friend.
I'm
But
not
yeah,
dumping
girl,
my
girl, we
friend
should
for
tell her
that.
a
But
secret. What you mean? Are your friend that from high school
And
days?
first of all, you
you
It
know,
doesn't shouldn't be telling your
Mm.
friend matter. business to your It's man. all come to
yeah.
choices, and not no situation that a man do should push a woman to go and cheat. That is your action and your choices.
So you never get bun yet.
No, I walk away.
You ask the question, there's a pop scholar clear answer you.
Because I'm
Pop
here
scholar, hold
because
on.
a
Believe the
lot.
woman our company show can say shaky bun. What kind of stupid
For
question
I
you
sure,
ask?
mean, yeah,
I'm a very
exactly. She
blunt
not
person,
gonna
so of
agree
course
to
I'm
it.
gonna give one, I say I'm give one. But
No
there's
man,
no need
woman
for
our
that.
company.
Yeah, she
I
not
rather
gonna
walk
say it to it.
away if we're
You
having a situation.
British? British love too. That's it.
If I'm a very true person and I'm true to myself. So before I give bun, I rather walk away. There's no need for me to do that. The level up is for you to make a better you. You giving a man bun or getting back at a man with giving bun, that is hurting yourself. That's not hurting the
I'm gonna say
man.
this tonight. Once somebody on the panel, I know if them man give them bun, then I go out there and give him back bun. Now ask the guys them. Who you think, Pop Skull?
Mm. Ali. RSSC. RSSC.
No, man, Sassy not there, man. Up on the panel now. Who? Ali, you say?
Ali.
All right.
Yeah.
Value, who you think would have tat for tat and eye for an eye?
Why that one kind of rough still, you know.
Judging by where
But
you hear on the panel, who you say?
based on what I say, I would say more blessed, you know.
Not me. Not me, honey.
So,
Wrong
Damien, you
one.
really think if I'm in a relationship or a man cheat on me,
Pops,
I don't
hold
ever
on.
cheat
Papa
back?
Ray, who you say? Papa
Ali,
Ray.
Ali, him not ask me yet, you know. I-
You well want to call my name, you Papa
Papa
Ray.
Ray, who? Papa Ray, who?
Ali, Ali.
All right,
Papa
so
Ray
I'm
is
going to tell you
alright
something when me
here.
pick up. I come like, while you like Ali, say no one come at her with the
No,
way.
him don't like me. I can't tell you that. No
No,
matter
me
with
hear
that.
when him say, yes, I know you answer one question. Me see him kind of get back in a
No, him
little.
just say me have sense, and I do
No,
have a
but yeah,
little
that is why
sense.
I'm not want to say. But there's no way blessed demonstrate that tonight. I would have been more like,
Exactly.
would have been more like Ali. We
Damien,
just
I'm
like
not
that.
that type of person.
No,
If
I'm
you get
not
that
saying
from
you're that
me,
type, Ali. I'm just saying
if
based on
No,
what
we
I've
you're
don't
been
say
saying.
here
that.
so
That.
long and you get that from me in my
No, just the
speech,
No, Ali,
conversation
No.
he's not
tonight.
saying that.
You know,
Just a
He's not
conversation. Him
saying
never
that.
said that, Ali.
He's
Ali,
not
it's just
saying
a
that,
figure
Ali.
of
He doesn't
speech. You know what I
believe
mean?
that.
Say you're doing it or me just I say, based on how you sound muscular and you know, you sound
no,
rough.
me just talk like
Me know, but me
me
just
have
ask the guys
no,
them a question
I
just to
just
hear their
speak
mind is.
as if I have sense and I do have a little sense. I've been around long enough to know or to learn something from mistakes, but I'm not going to cheat back on no man because what I do reflect on me, not him. So I'm never ever going to do that. You can go and do what you want. I can tell you what I'm going to do. I'm gonna
Naturally,
end that.
naturally, you have your good man, see? And him go sleep with a different woman. And Yanni didn't marry and everything are going good for now. I know have business together and so. And the girl I brag upon you say, yo, me take your man. Would you walk away and just left them together and start over fresh?
No, that's too much to lose.
So you'll fight for the relationship there.
It depends, you know. If it depends on the situation. Cause like myself, people deserve second chances, so it all depends. Maybe the first time, but maybe we sit down and talk about stuff. But then if not, it become a choice now where it happen again, then of course I'm not gonna sit down or something like that. But nobody is perfect, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
that does cut it off the second time and make you go on
And then
with
if we
it.
have a lot of business together, that's so much to lose. So you have to think right, you know, you can't just get up and just make hasty decision like that.
Ali would I get up and just walk away left everything and tell him so don't worry.
Who that me?
Yeah.
Yeah, may I leave because
Yeah,
if the agreement between you and I was that we're going to have a monogamous relationship and you are do something behind my back, which is betraying me and not giving me the decision to know if that's something I want to be in or not. Why else you gonna betray me with yes, I'm leaving. I am
It's so
leaving. Go and be with
easy.
her.
The business, go and say girl win then. You made to win.
I don't care about her winning. My life is not about winning, especially not with a man. I'm leaving. Go and be with her. You win. Because you get to go be with your new woman where you enjoy right now. Just when it don't work out or when you're tired of her, don't call me. Simple as that. Don't try to talk to me. Don't nothing. Because I'm
It all
moving
depends on the
on and you be
situation.
good. It not going to depend on no
You like
situation.
Is it
nervous,
because
I
I am
work it
different? Because in my mind, I just know that not everybody would agree, but I don't think a man. It's so hard for a man to be monogamous, and until a woman realize that,
It's hard for a woman to be monogamous too. Men are very tempting, and some of them look
men are
really nice when you
hunters,
go
Ali.
there. When you
Men are
go there, some of them
hunters.
are look very nice. I
Man,
look
hold
better than
on,
your
Hold
him.
on,
Then
hold
go
on,
and
hold
wait
on,
for
But
hold
your
on.
as a
talk.
reality though, Ali, you never flirt with a guy. You never see another guy that you like, even though you're in a relationship. You never see a guy and say, "Oh, the guy that look nice." You never
I
come to your
have.
mind.
Yes,
Of course.
all women do
Of
that because
course.
Okay.
you know watch the soap
Of
opera
course we look
or
at
you know
them and we
watch your
see
man
them
them
and
on
what
But
we
don't you
feel
think
Instagram.
that
talk
is
about
still
them.
Think we not
cheating?
so
Because
no?
that's you flirting.
No, I didn't say flirt. You asked me if I never see a guy I me like and
But that's
think him
still
look
you
good,
think
and I
it.
said yes.
All
And
right.
if I
So
think
if
thoughts in my mind, how is that
all right.
cheating?
But hold on, don't they
Because
say
it's
that the
an
very thought
emotional
of your mind
attachment
you
at that
saying?
part of it.
If I see
Well,
a
ask back
guy
the
and the
question,
guy,
nurse.
wait, no.
Don't they say that the thought that you sin by your very thought?
If I see a guy and the guy pass me and in cologne smell nice and he look good and in shirt white and in jeans look nice pan him, and me thinking in my mind, him look nice and him smell nice. See, me I want human. I'm just being human. You know the problem come in when me follow the man, go tell him say him smell nice, him look nice, and if me can't have him number come I like him. That's where the problem comes in. But me having a natural emotion to somebody who looks good, that's natural, that's human, and my man can do that as well. See a
Well,
girl and she look good and him thinking in mind, boy, the girl that
no, what
look
she
good.
has say, Ali, that different. You never see a man yet, even on the TV or somewhere and say, no, mother grind the boy, God, no, mother game one.
What's the
No,
answer?
So you
I not
never
think so. No. Cause
You
that not
never,
feel
Ali,
never in your
personal to
mama.
me as it
lifetime.
is to
Never
you,
see a
Damien.
man
But
there,
Mama.
they
I'll
say.
say he looks good.
Never in your lifetime, you
Talk it
never see
truth.
a man
Talk it
that,
truth, Ali.
you know, somebody that sleep with the boy, yeah? But, never.
Chris
That's
Brown,
never my
what
thought
about Chris
process to
Brown?
immediately see somebody and think I'm going to sleep with them. Maybe after I start entertaining the person and start becoming attracted to them and hear the foolishness what them are telling me in my ears, maybe it start pique my interest.
What
But
about Chris Brown? Dead Chris Brown?
no, I wouldn't Chris down no like no they dark girls.
No, man,
So we
listen to
just have
Ali,
to
you know.
enjoy music from afar. But I like Chris Brown. I think he looks very nice. He can
Talk too
dance,
much
him
about
tall,
Chris
him
Brown. No, 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 talk about
handsome.
Chris Brown. Done it,
A
done it,
pop
done it.
skull I
Enough
go
of it.
come down.
Yeah, Pop Skull,
Pop
I
skull
want
I
to say, I'm
like
going
Chris.
to look for him.
Yeah,
So,
but
Nurse T, that answer your question?
Huh?
That
yeah.
answer? Hold
Yeah, that's
on.
all right.
Hold
That's all
on.
right,
There's one
Mom.
7-day Adventist man will come up here now. Hold on.
God.
Yes, Mr. Christian, man. Come on, man of God.
Oh, me reach up, sir.
Now you send the request.
No, I tap the screen. Me don't know what going.
All right, I'll take it down.
Yeah, man. Me just
I
observe. Me look
know
at
why you're
observe.
up here still, but I'll take it down still.
No, man. Take me down.
I agree, meet and who this?
But here the thing. Ali said two things we're interested earlier. Because Ali said, listen up, a woman know say she go sleep with a man from the first time she see him. Correct?
I think so.
And then just say a woman don't cheat so easily because of the emotional attachment. And yet still nurse ask her two
A
questions a
woman
while
don't
ago.
cheat so easily because of what?
Emotional
No,
feelings
I
that
never
they
said
would
that. I
have.
say when you
What is
start
correct?
sleeping with somebody thinking that it's going to just be like
You
a
get more
situationship,
emotional attached.
you get emotionally attached but you're not doing it intentionally, it just happen because your hormones and all of that. So I know you mentally I say, oh, may I go get attached to him. It just happened because of how women are made up.
So that is why nurse asked you the question, say if you never feel that way about an ex man.
Like me just
So
see somebody and decide
No, no.
say
Well, on the value. And Ali, don't double cross Ali answer. Ali mean that, like, if she's not seeing somebody, yes, she can entertain him the way they. I mean, I think she mean dating somebody already and then I go entertain a man and say, me know up on the first date. So it would have been the question they would have value, like, it would make no sense to ask her that. If you get what I say.
I'm not,
Yeah.
nobody can trick me. I'm not
Nurse,
gonna
based on when
feel
nurse
like
I
I'm
say
gonna
you're already involved in a relationship and then now you see somebody where me
and that
husband be in a
alone I gonna
relationship
make
and
you
see
not
girl on the internet and
even.
say, Bamba, take peace no, you know Papa Ray and Pop Skull do that to and value.
But that
but here
alone,
the
being in
thing.
a relationship alone, allow you to not even get past a thought. Like you don't give anything second thought. You just keep it moving because if you're in a relationship or you respect your person and you have
Man, a
self
hunter
control,
girl, where you come with them
then
foolishness
you
there.
just keep
Nurse P, tell her man I walk. Tell
Yeah.
her again, make sure. Tell her.
Woman until woman, let me say this, until woman realize that men are hunters, men are visual creatures,
Tell them.
then
I
What
know
that's
are
when
you
sir.
we're gonna
talking about?
realize that
What are you talking about, Nursey? You asked me
men
about my attraction to a man. No, you're reversing it as if the man is
it's
coming onto me while I'm in a
No man, me
relationship.
just ask her a
No,
straight
no,
forward
no,
question.
no.
You can't answer.
I don't
What
like to
she's
have conversation that has too much emotions, but yeah,
No, because
I'm
like the
just answering to what
conversation
Damien is
is
saying.
No, she
I'm
answer to what
saying
I
how
say.
I think. That's my opinion. And until most women realize that, then they will. It's like you get up and leave your man because him cheat. It's like leaving from a house where there's rain falling and you expect a rain for the next door to you. It's the same thing. Like men are visual creatures. They're hunters by nature. And because society push upon man for say, yeah, man for have one woman. Men are
Words,
hunters.
word.
They're visual creatures. They were not created to be monogamous. If you check the animal system, it's the same thing.
Same thing.
Men was never created to be monogamous, but when it comes to choices and discipline, they choose to do that. And it's so hard for them. Hence the reason why they always go there and then visually see another woman and say them that they with the woman or them like the woman. Because that is them by nature. They're wired like that. That's why them saying that the Bible said the wisest man, which was Solomon, had many wives and concubines.
No, but before you read Solomon, which is far down in the Bible, let's go to Genesis where
All right, let's not go to the Bible because I don't believe about the Bible. So let's not go there. Yeah.
No, but if you're going all the way
I'm
down
not.
We're quoting a king and comparing a king to regular men, and we need.
What is a king? Every man is a king, Ali.
Okay.
We're all kings.
So why the
Every man
kings
is
have so
king.
much
We're all
man? I
kings
mean,
and
I mean,
queens.
one.
All right, the Bible didn't claim everyone was a king, but if it says so,
I don't believe in the Bible. The Bible is just a book that they mentally use to kind of sway us. I don't believe in the Bible, to be honest. So let's not go there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But yeah.
I'm a king.
Shop lock, you know. Because if shop lock, man, I gone fast, you know, man.
But when say still about, I agree with her because them use laws and rules to control it. But by nature, we are natural hunters. We can't take that out away.
Yeah, but and that's
that are just
blessed.
naturally embedded in our bro. No matter what we want to say about that. So most of the time when a man cheat on a woman, and I say no, accept it, but emotion alone get the best of you, and you have to walk away from the situation and just say. And when you walk, as a goal rose, that's when you walk away from one, the second one you take up, you jump in and
so Damian,
And then make an example of that starting.
Since men are
okay to keep doing it.
Huh?
No.
I think black man alone get born in one cup and the white man.
Once, right? And you stay with him. He continuously do it. So
no, if I give him a chance again, what I'm saying, blessed, if just for the first time and it happened and as when nurse said should just walk away different from what Ali said, respect everybody's opinion. I'm just saying, you walk out of that, you know, some of the time you expect for going to a better situation and sometimes 3-4 years down the line, you come back to the same thing again. Now you feel like something wrong with your vision or nothing, or just the man, you know, the type of man them are just
the problem.
Yeah.
With the whole hunting thing to support your claim that men are natural hunters. All right. Why is it that so does the hunting stage ever end? Like Damian, do you have a period when men no longer hunt?
Yeah, wait till we reach 50.
So what is it? So is it a case where what changed when you reach 50? You're no longer a hunter. What are you at that point?
When you reach 50 now, you realize you know, in certain things you live your best life, your experience, so you don't want to do that no more. You know what I mean?
So you were doing that, so it's not something that was coming naturally. You were doing it.
Listen, what I'm saying now. Me used to enough pum. Me figure enough woman already. So me get that alone now. So now I have enough.
Often it's because your body just can't keep up.
Already, so me could know. Me experience.
What changed biologically? Thank you, Nat. Maybe me need to ask it properly. What changed biologically? Why
you can't keep up no more?
You can't keep
only
up
keep
no
manage
more.
one
Body
woman.
dead.
So how is it then something that is natural if you can't keep up?
No, listen now.
Because I know that you can't keep up.
But
that's not the reason why a man is not able to keep up.
One at a time, please.
Aging is the reason why, right? And your body age naturally. Other reason for that is pure what you come on to poor blood circulation. The problem underlying issues. It's not necessary because him rev it too much.
So you can no longer afford to chase anybody because you don't have the capacity to chase or what? Why are you no longer chasing now with all of that?
Yeah, because you can't keep up.
Stop it.
Papa, remember
one say my 50 and him still a hunt girls.
What you saying, Pop Skull?
Yeah, but you can't keep up naturally.
You can't keep up naturally. So it's something that you do when you're young and not when you're older. So you're only chase when you're young and not when you're old. So it's not something, you're not
I
biologically
mean, it's the same
wired
thing
then
as an
to
old
keep
man not
hunting,
being
right?
able to work as much as he would want to, right?
Our time now, cause
Why?
They're wired, but
yeah,
it comes with choices. Like let me say it's hard for them to be disciplined for do that, but some men do it because of
Yeah,
choices.
someone
It's
do
It's
either
it.
that it doesn't
So
it's
make
either they're
sense.
wired for it or it's a choice. One out of the two, but
Yeah,
I'm not
but
gonna
it's a
accept the
side. All
two
right. So
explanation.
so hold on.
All over the
All right. Let me
place.
ask you. You're wired emotionally as a woman, right? Oh, she gone.
she
Because
mute.
we're wired emotionally as a woman, but don't we choose when and where to give our emotions? So it's
Wired
the
to do
same
what
thing.
emotionally?
Aren't you a woman that is naturally a nurturer and an emotional being? Aren't you emotionally wired because you're a woman? Do you give everybody you meet your emotion?
Where is the or where you like? Can you direct me into the?
It's the choices. We all have choices as human
Yeah, ask a
beings.
straightforward question.
Yeah,
And that,
because you're
yeah.
kind of confused. Because with emotions are not things that
But I'm
you're
asking you,
really
I'm not
can.
deflecting from the prior conversation. I'm asking you for an example. Because you're saying that because if they're naturally wired
So
like
no,
that,
I'm
why is
not
that when
very
they get
nurturing. I
old?
wouldn't consider myself to be very
All right,
nurturing.
hold on. So I'm asking you, don't you have emotions? As human beings, we have emotions, right?
Yeah, I have a lot of
All right. Do you
emotions. Yeah.
give everybody your emotions? Do you show everybody your emotions?
I'm very empathetic. So while you may not see a side of me, if the situation arises, you may.
So isn't that a choice? Isn't that you making a
No,
choice?
it's not a choice. I am empathetic by nature, so you
Oh my
will find
God.
that I will. So,
Okay, Ali,
what?
you're
I'm
good.
not answering you how you want to be answered,
It's
Nurse
not. I
T.
don't want you to answer me or I want. But I'm asking you a straightforward questions. Do you give everybody? Do you show everybody your emotion?
I'm not
no,
in the
Ali, I
same
cannot show
situation with
everybody
everybody, so they
emotion.
can't see the same emotion. I think that's what you're
So
asking.
isn't it the same thing with a man? They're
But
naturally
if it
wired, but is it that
applies,
when it gets down to a point, it's because of the choices they choose to make? So
so
not because
how is that
it
answering the
comes with
question
self
whether or
discipline. It
not?
comes
How
with
is
self
it answering the
discipline.
question whether or not
All right. So as a
them being a
woman, you're
hunter?
created to hold on. As a woman, you're created to be sexually attractive to the opposite sex, right?
Are men biologically chasers or are they chasing because of lust and greed? I think that's
Men
just what
are
we need to answer.
biologically hunters.
Okay. All
We're
right,
all
fine. That's what
spiritual
you say.
being having a human experience. But because of the
Okay.
rules and laws that was given to us, we have no choice. We were trained how to think. We were
Ali,
taught how to
Ali,
think.
me I gotta say
So
this
we
to you
don't have
as a
free
man.
will.
I mean, I say
Okay.
this to all the ladies them. All you did know say some man after a while when them they with you, then tired of your pum pum, and then just feel like they want to try something different.
Well,
She would
based on
never
how it looks, I
understand that.
guess.
No,
This
maybe
is why
I
white
think
people
the female will never
relationship work out,
understand that, but on a serious level,
Mhm.
yeah, you have some man like that's how they is. So they want to go feel something different.
Even if it's
Okay.
just on the birthday.
Even if it just one time and
And
still
that's a
come back.
biological thing, or is that just a matter of discipline and
It's
choice?
not discipline, Ali. It's by
Oh,
nature.
nature. Okay.
Yeah, and some of the time we as men we try explain something to woman, but some woman now go really understand them. Like on the set on the self say, yo, the man I'm there with is supposed to be loyal for life. He now go ever go out there go be with the next woman, or he now go ever go out there go feel the need like he want something different. After you're there with a man for a period of time, the body will get softer, Ali. One time you
What
used to
happened
see
to
me
the
just
men
go so
that
boom.
don't cheat? What
Well,
happened to the men that
hear
don't
the
cheat?
know. Hear the know. May I explain something and blessed that interrupt said that is a man with this. And you cannot
Same
talk to
like
a
when me I
man.
talk to one
I,
on
I
and
asked
other
No,
you a
two
but when you
start
question.
cannot
talk.
talk to a man, may I explain something to you, but you don't want to take in and listen. See,
You know,
people
so
in the
them
comment that
supposed
say
to
true.
pay for
When
stuff
you
like
still a
this.
come with something say because this. Listen no man
You're
and
supposed to
learn.
pay for these kind of knowledge.
Some of the time a
It's
man
a
just say,
college top
yo,
skull, college course.
alright, put it this way. Alright,
Oh
me have
God.
teacher Ali, nurse and blessed. But Ali give me the best. HEAD. So me
What?
I go
Not me.
always
Somebody
go
else
back to
choose.
Ali to get back the
Somebody
feeling
else.
there. Blessed do our thing, nurse do our thing, but Ali carry me to the moon. So anyway, Ali them I go always, no matter what nurse do to me and blessed, Ali know if it satisfy me all I want. So me I go look for Ali. That's how man stay. I think some woman stay so too, if them want to. You know, I just so by nature, bro.
Yeah,
And
can
when
I
we have
say
these
something though?
conversations now,
Not up
people
here
can
long,
tell,
not
hey,
her time now.
not to
Yeah.
come when the show done. Not to have to go talk in a 3 minutes. Come on, go play 2 games right about now.
No.
I'm there for a
Go
long
and go
time.
play. Go and go play your
Yeah,
game,
give me one
man.
lion.
Yeah,
All
me
right,
can.
Nats, go
Not
on.
don't
Yeah,
know what your way have to say.
yeah, go on, Nats.
All right. So basically, make it quick. When they say by nature, I've done studies, lots of studies, and there is nothing to prove that anything that what we're talking about is by nature. It's about self-respect and moral, self-control. If a man does not want to do it, just like the same way Damien was explaining that you're with somebody for a couple of years and you just want to experience something else, woman experience that just the same, and they have
Where
a
did you
lot of
do the
women that have
research?
high sexual drive.
Where do you
it's
do your
it's if
research?
she have discipline, she will do it or not. What ladies need to understand, the fact is men are cultured to do these things, but because we're also brainwashed by cultures
Doesn't
and
this happen in
song
every
that
culture? Isn't this
hello.
a case where this happen in every
Well,
culture? Why you
Laura, if you
use the
finish
word
first, now
culture?
you did get Pascal know what you were just saying. Laura, if you finish, please.
No,
So because we're
Interrupting.
brainwashed by culture and all of that, we think that, okay, if we leave this relationship, remember that the man are cultured this way, that the next relationship is going to be the same thing.
so Nats, a
So
man, we're in a one different country, married to 2 wives and sleep with 2 women. So
cultured,
what's your point? It's cultured.
Yeah,
yes.
culture.
Okay, so there you go. If we did live in a society that it would be
You
okay for a man to have multiple ladies once he can
right,
financially provide, right?
That's
right.
another
But
culture we
if
live in.
But not
you
be a choice.
choose,
So what we are
but if
saying
you
now, by
choose now,
nature, that man want
Make Jesus.
yes. So Damien, so if you be an honest person with respect and moral, if you and this person decide that we are exclusive, why are you as a big man going around the
nuts. It
corner
doesn't work
hiding
like how
and
you
doing
are talking. It
stuff?
don't
But that's
work.
how it
I
will
just
work,
explained it
Damien.
to Uno a while ago. I wanna still come
Una
with
just not have
different.
no discipline
No,
and not
Uno
try
but
to
still
you
not
live
gonna
just
get
by
it.
our
explain
I'm
it.
not gonna say this to Uno tonight. Uno gonna continue to get bun left, right, and center.
No,
And
you
Uno
not
go
forget
cheap
bun,
on
cause
Uno.
you
So
cannot
Uno
deal
not
with
learn.
man.
I know people are trying to tell you the right thing. I wanna stuck in. I wanna look at grandma days and I listen and I say this or this by study. No nuts. And I say it go. Me tell you by nature. Man can't keep one woman for long, long, long. You want to go out there go feel out something. By a woman walk past in a one battery ride and she shape good. Him turn his head so and him a look and him have
Damien, it
fantasize. You know have
is
nothing to
it
do with that. And then a
Damien.
You
discipline, a
hold my
From
straight.
feelings.
you are young, the boys are basically training you to be a
Nuts. Nuts.
chaser.
No, nuts. You still not get what me I say. And
And
you,
all
you,
right,
you don't understand. You not
just to land,
understand.
hold on. And this is the reason
I,
why I don't even like when women admit to themselves that men are basically made like this. Men are basically selfish. If you notice, as you said earlier, when you stop doing
but
this,
nuts, woman and man do the same
hold on, a
thing. What
Damien.
you
You
say?
notice when you
Damien,
stop
we
doing
are
this, when you not have no use
The
anymore. Cause
exactly.
brainwashers.
you was choosing yourself all this time.
But
Yeah.
not woman do the same thing when me a talk, but me a talk from a
That's what
man
I'm
point of
saying.
view.
You
Some
do,
woman have one man, some are you have couples that married and then carrying person in a them bedroom.
Yes.
What is
That
adult?
are,
That's their them choose to do that. That's how them fetish. They want feel the needs. Cause the relationship boring. They want
morals.
get it spicy.
They
That's
have
their life.
no
Oh, you
morals.
mean
no,
morals?
not
That's
them
people
anymore. That's
personal
how we
life.
No
change
That's what they
morals,
things.
want.
zero
No
absence of
morals.
morals. I
They
will not
No.
don't
Oh,
have
admit
if
it.
it be
Put down
any
the
morals
food and
because you
check the
don't.
list.
values.
Jesus God.
No, no,
Damien,
no.
I
listen.
can't explain. I
You
can't
need to
explain.
invite. You need to invite Congo man over here one night. But maybe you're not gonna like that either. You're not gonna love that. And the men them over here not gonna like it
Who's
either. Cause
Congo
him a gonna
man?
talk. Congo man will have him own life and him talk about men and teach women about men. As well as you can invite Prince.
No
But you're
man
not
can
gonna
teach.
invite
No,
those
well on.
people.
If no man can come over here and teach about man, about woman. Me deal with too much woman in my lifetime. For no man come tell
No,
me.
he teaches women about men and how men
No,
operate
only
and
can
think.
go over there, but no tell me if you bring him over my show.
No, but you're not accept nobody else.
No,
Like
but you
it's
can't go
like
over there,
you
Ali,
just
go
stuck
listen
for
to
one
him.
thing. No,
No,
but just
no,
you
No,
just
but
stuck
wait,
for one
man.
thing, Papa and
no. Listen, no,
Pascal.
man. And
Sure,
it's
I
not a
think the
matter
same
of
way.
that, but we are taught something well,
No,
like
but you
because
are
we are
talk
trying to
things a
show you
reality
something,
thing.
but una nah listen, una mindset in a one way,
All right,
if
Jermaine, I
una
can
tell me
ask you
to go
two
over there, so,
questions.
and it will go over there, so.
Jermaine,
Not,
I can ask you two questions.
well on, nuts, nuts, man, go play 2 games. Now, I mean, I know you take so long for come on, you always come on early. Now, 11:23. And the 2 questions, then
Jeremy.
we're about to reach, we're just a spin around in a circle. Right now. Not
No,
your mind done
Bunga.
make up already with where you say already. So
No, it's not a mind makeup. You, all right, what the ladies them need for understand too, you already explained, you say it, that it's not biological, you stop doing these things when you have no use no more. So you're what choosing yourself. Men are just selfish.
it's not
And women
selfish. I
accept it.
only
It's
do what
two
my
things,
body only do
It's
what
two things.
my body required and when my body need,
Yeah,
I
because
go
a
for
man,
it.
when him reach
And
certain
when
age, him
reach when the
realize
body
that
no
him no
want that
want to
no
do no
more, the
more.
body no want no more. I cannot una as woman, una will never understand because una don't have a body and una go think what
Alright.
to do. It's
You
just
have a
like that.
virgin,
Can't
and to
explain.
the man him a talk in a mix up, and the man say him tell one in peace. Him not, I just
Yeah.
somebody when sexual with, and him just tell her say, you know, say me no want to do this no more. And she vex. The man say, right now, me a focus on me youth them and my health. I mean, I really want to do no bag of jokey with nobody. And him in his 50s, and him just no want, and him can do it. Him just realize him no want to do it no more with
Well, that's a
nobody.
team business, Papa. Here. I saw it
No,
go.
man, I try to show them so, and not them the age a man just choose when him just realize he no want good no more. He can be from
If that
young
was
and he can be from old.
yeah, listen, I seen a lot and I talk to a whole heap of people, I say a whole heap of things, so I know, listen, I agree with Nurse Lee 100%. I know enough ladies not gonna agree with her, and she talk facts. Me just leave it at that. The other ladies then can disagree, but she's 100% right with how she describe how man behave, and that I just true. And until lady can accept that and realize, then you can understand how man stay. And them know to know. Cause them know when they have a man then watch him man and search him phone, watch him move and all of them something down there. Them know. They always the on internet and look at that woman and they on site. Yeah, cause they're not satisfied with you know. You don't know. Not me I come check it tomorrow. Definitely.
So you see.
No, serious, me I come tomorrow. Me if I come Kingston tomorrow. I'm gonna come.
So you see.
This what time the store open? 10 o'clock?
Yep.
I'm coming there.
Alright.
So you have to pull up. Alright? When name my store again? Nat's Beauty Supply or Nat's what name?
Nat's Royal.
Nat's Royal. Okay, look for me tomorrow.
We will see.
Yeah, big up yourself. Not try
Alright.
play 2 games. Me there I talk so
Yeah.
long an hour with Ali and Blessed them and Pop Skull and all of them people. Hey, Ali, I want hard enough to crack on now. Whoa.
You know, you better
Sure, I
know.
thought that
Me say, any man that go get Ali, him a boy, I'm sorry for you.
But him want easy going and
well,
him not
thank
argue with no
God,
back and
knuckle.
forth. Me can't tell. Oh, matter of fact, me get text message right now. Easy to deal with, okay?
Blessed
Him
not
just
so
with them on the
bad.
foolishness
Blessed,
like how me not them on the
blessed,
foolishness. It's not on the foolishness.
blessed not so bad, because blessed understand a little style.
What's that?
He ain't on the foolishness.
You know, no man, you most strictest woman by Ali. If a man call, if Ali they beside the man on the phone and he walk out the door, she go say, why you have to walk out the door?
I know, I'm not even like that though. To show you how much you don't know me. So you want to create
Ali,
your own
if you there with a man on the
judgment
phone
about
ring and he goes up, babes, me say me I come there and go out the door go answer. You go say, what is so important that you have to
you
go
know how
outside and
big
go answer?
I have so much going on. Me not even probably realizing phone ring. Come I have so much going on. I do not care
If a
about
man
stuff
phone
like that.
ring and he rings so say Ali,
Listen, I'm the easiest person for you to probably cheat on. I'm the easiest person for a man to leave, and I'm the easiest person to leave you alone. Cause you see the school in a man, not even my son in a school. I'm not go school on adult man either. And if those are the things you wanna do, then go do that. Cause I'm not gonna be the one to run behind you and school you and tell you what to do. Just go pick your type.
Ali,
That's
you know,
it.
so by doing this show, I learn a lot about you. If you never engage and say I was looking, But I know
You know
how
what, me Damien, cause me and you
No,
would
it
never
does
get
like
along.
so,
Me and you
no,
know
me
say
just
now you want
say,
I
it.
yeah, me know Ali, but me I say, more than know if I approach you, cause me know, me finally doing
I
the
don't
show,
know
me
what
learn a lot
man thing
about
there.
you.
I trust me, and ask about me. I know people when me know we know same people. Ask them, how me stay. Ask them. So it is just what it is. Me not really mess certain way. You can't always cheat for me. You can't always, cause I'm not gonna search your phone. I'm not gonna run behind a
Lastly, and she's
police
not a
and fool
problem
you.
woman, she's just a strict woman.
I don't have time for that. You know how much things me have to do. I have too much to do. To go looking at man phone.
Yeah,
Not
that's a
even want to know
talk.
your password. No, I don't even want to know your password. That's facts. You can't listen, cheating will not go on behind my back for years and I will never be able to tell if you don't change your patterns. If you change your patterns, I go pick up. But if you don't change your patterns, me not find come. Now go in your phone. No, me I look for after on my phone.
Yeah,
No,
stay there.
it's true. It
I'm not
is
gonna
true.
brainwash you and chicken, yeah? That
It's
I
true. I'm
just,
not doing that.
that I
So
just for sure. No, make you chicken.
all right, fine.
Anyway, Nurse, I that for night, you know. And blessed, big up on yourself.
Have a good
I try to
night.
say too much and come off here before 12.
All right.
Ali, later, Ali.
Later.
Yeah, later, guys. Good show. I love them type of show, you know. I like you show them. Steve, I like you show them. I like how Basha, I like you boring show them, everybody does. Yeah. So, you know, and everybody I thought like Papa Ray. 200 cologne, that's not the way. 200. 200. I'm gonna be doing something there. I'm glad so today I make it show spicy. You see me? Come guys, we can protect with nuggets, we can play too much. Blessed, they know, so you don't know if you disconnect.